Good afternoon!
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang hapon po in Tagalog.
May translation
Eh,
gano'n.
paano naman kung taga Buenos Aires?
Oo. Musika at entablado.
Dito lamang po sa DCXL
Tatak, Arimen.
558.
Ito po si Grace Vergel Mariano.
Direct Ed Montelegan live on
Oo,
the air.
syempre.
Ay nako. At tong hapon na to, ang ating special guest si Attorney Pablo M. Gancayco, known as Gov
Papa
Ambo, and of course our guest last week si Attorney Don
Nahiya pa
Gancayco.
ako.
Anong sabi
Sabi
sa'yo?
niya, Papa Gov daw.
Sino?
Tawag
Sabi niya,
natin.
i-guest natin si Papa Gov. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Attorney Paul Gancayco.
Magandang hapon sa inyo, Direk Ed and Grace. I'm very, very happy and honored to be here. Of course, I know why you invited me, and I'm at your disposal this afternoon. So please do ask me anything about intellectual property law, and actually anything about law if you want to know.
Oo, tingnan mo na.
Please welcome our dear friend, Pocholo Malili.
Hello, hi, good afternoon. Ed, it was just like yesterday we've been together 1976. It's been long years already. Matagal na yon. 76. We've been friends.
Mayroong isang legal authority who would discuss about when it comes to intellectual property law. Meron isa, no? Meron tayo isang guest naman na gumagamit ng mga material pang entablado. Ngayon naman, meron tayo isang special guest. Siya nag-interpret ng material na pinroduce. At eto, hindi lang niya kinakanta sa entablado, mapa-broadcast, mapa-entablado legitimate entertainment stage, mapa-abroad, no? Mapa-New York, mapa-LA, mapa-Las Vegas, mapa-Europe, kinakanta yung material na yon, no? At hindi lang yun, tatlong stages in his life na naging performer siya. Hindi kada pa. Masyadong bata yun
Masyadong-
Tinrim yun
Okay lang yun.
Nagbilang na naman
Bawas
ako.
pa yan, bawas.
Bawas pa yun. Edited
Ah,
yun.
okay.
Edited. Started as a folk singer.
Okay.
Started as a folk singer, which I'm proud to say, si Atty. Paul, folk singer din yan. Walang,
Short time.
walang kamatayan. Atty. Paul, ano yun yung mga, is that time?
Yeah. Mga Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young.
Yeah.
Yan ang panahon
Puro
namin.
pala mga talent.
Mga, please, the honor, Miss Grace, to
Siyempre
introduce
po,
our
walang
guest of
iba,
hapon. Ito
kundi si
kundi si
Mr. Nonoy Zuniga.
Ay, hello. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng nakikinig ngayon.
Dito lamang po sa DCXL ang ating musika at entablado.
Musika and Tablado.
Yeah.
Nice to be here. Pleasure to be here.
Nonoy is here in town. The past
1.5 weeks.
almost 2
Almost
weeks.
2 weeks, yeah.
At he will again disappear.
Oh, talaga?
But of course, ang industriya, hinahanap yung tunog ng Nonoy. At tong araw na to, maririnig natin yung bagong material. At may nag-compose. Ngayon, yung nag-compose ano na naman ang protection niya.
Ayun, tutulungan tayo ni Papa Gov dyan.
Ay,
Papa
naku,
Gov na.
maniwala ako. Pero in general, no, tingnan natin, ano ba itong tinatawag na intellectual property law? Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, may maraming tayong law, batas, no?
Siguro pa-define muna natin para sa mga
Yeah.
listeners natin, ano ba yung intellectual property rights? Anong klaseng karapatan ito?
Palagay ko,
Oo.
may batas nga ba talagang gano'n? Attorney Paul, siguro naman sa ating mga katropa, ating mga musical director dyan, ating mga stage guys, mga performers, no? Nagtatanong, intellectual property law, ano ba yan? Kindly orient us, no? Being the authority in this field.
Thank you, Direk Ed. No? The main law for intellectual property is the Republic Act 8293. We call it the Intellectual Property Code.
Republic Act
8293.
Kayaan mo mamaya yun na back-to-back. It's a law, ha?
Yes. Intellectual property is a general term we use to cover some kind of a personal property over intellectual creations. No?
So mga kanta, di ba?
Yes. Ang three, for those who are basic divisions ng intellectual property is what we call the patents, trademarks, and copyright. Tatlo yan.
Patents,
Trademarks,
and copyright.
So pati pangalan ng kumpanya mo, yung
Yes, that will be
produktong
covered, yes.
binuo, di ba lahat? Basta
Yeah.
lahat ng nilikha mo.
Patents
Kahit
would
ano
cover
pa yun.
inventions in general.
Okay.
Inventions,
Mm.
whether pharmaceutical or mechanical or whatever. Trademarks would cover brands.
Brands.
Brands,
Brand
service
ng damit.
names.
It can be a fast food company. It can be
Yes.
it can be a computer-based company. It
That's
can be a
right.
laptop. It can be a cell phone brand.
Yes, any brand.
Even a
Restaurant.
a bar,
Correct.
a performing stage area.
Correct.
So hindi na tayo pwedeng
We
magtayo ng
strictly
club.
call that as a trade name. Like Club Moi is registered as a trade name.
May iniisip pa naman kami ng plamo. Hindi
Pag
pa pwede
tayo
pa
ko, ginaya ko, meron akong pananagutan sa batas.
Yes, of course.
Violation yun.
Yes. If it is registered
Mhm.
already ahead of you,
Mhm.
then you will be liable for infringement.
Mm.
But if it is not registered but has been in use for a long time by the person claiming right over it, he can still file a case against you.
Ganun ba?
You,
Kaya
Gaano
di
po
rin
katagal
siya
yung
Ah, boy.
Matagal yung
Competition.
period na ginagamit niya? I mean, meron bang specific na, halimbawa pag 10 taon ginagamit niya, na pwede na siyang magdemanda dun sa kukuha ng pangalan or kahit bago pa lang, basta nauna siya,
Yes.
kahit ilang araw siyang nauna, bago
I
ako.
think that is the material term. Who was ahead?
Okay.
Prior
Hindi kailangan
user.
na-
The prior user.
So, hindi
Will
pala
have
ako,
a better right.
hindi pala ako pwede bukas biglang ako si Nonoy Chuniga.
Ay, yung ganun.
Hindi say,
Yung
no?
iba binabago nila.
And I would
ng
claim I'm the
konti.
new.
Diba?
I'm liable, no? I'm liable.
Hindi,
I
kung-
bastardize his name.
Kung binago mo ng konti, pinalitan yung 2 letra, ganun, ano pa rin ba yun? Violation pa rin ba yun ng intellectual property code?
It can be.
It can be, ano?
Number one, if let us say there is already a registered trademark for that matter,
Ganun pala.
let's look for a famous brand, like let's say McDonald's.
Mhm.
Alright.
That's registered worldwide. And then someone here copies it and tries to register the word McDonald's.
Mangdo.
Hindi pwede.
Pwede.
In all likelihood,
Pwede.
the IPO, the Intellectual Property Office, will refuse to register that second applicant because that is a trademark which is similar or confusingly similar to the prior user.
Ganun pala yun.
May nakita ako Big Mac. M-A-K.
Yes.
Big Mac.
Ay, merong burger na Big Mac dito sa...
And that is
Oo.
one of their sub-product
Oo.
lines, ano, with the branding, no? Tama ba yan, Atty. Paul? Big Mac is a product of McDo that is posted on the board, part of their product lines, and here I am, nagtayo ako, Big Mac.
Pwede,
Yes.
ano ba yun?
There was a case which reached the Supreme Court on that.
Umabot pa hanggang Supreme Court. Ganun kalup.
The McDonald's has a Big Mac, which is B-I-G and M-A-C.
Right.
And then this one, which has stores, actually, what they call that, rolling stores,
Mm-mm.
all over southern Luzon. And they call their stores Big Mac, B-I-G, M-A-K.
M-A-K.
So a
Big
case
Mac.
a case stemmed from that.
Oo.
Big Mac or McDonald's sued that the owner of Big Mac, the Mac with a K.
So, ganun pala yun. Eh, hindi kailangang... Kasi minsan naririnig ko, ay, iparehistro mo yan para meron kang intellectual property right. Yan, para may trademark ka, parang ganun. Kailangan ba rehistro pa? Or...
Oo.
That is very good advice, Grace. Actually, registration will solidify your position in the market, no? Because registration will give you full protection over your trademark.
Yung iba na sasabihin, matrabaho pa yun, tapos may gastos pa. Ganun ba yun kapag trabahuhin, magparehistro? At sobrang gastos ba?
Hindi naman.
Marami
Hindi
bang
naman.
sobrang ipoproduce na papeles na mahirap iproduce? Kasi, tinatamad ka lang talagang magparehistro, hindi mo alam na yun ang magbibigay ng protection dun sa nilikha mo, dun sa itinayo mong negosyo, sa nilikha mo, di ba, na produkto.
Actually, it's not a very complicated procedure. As long as and we have to give it to our intellectual property office for simplifying the procedure itself. There is an application form. All you have to do is to determine what class of goods that you will try to register your trademark with, and then you file it with the office
Oo, ganun lang pala
together
kasi.
with the fee that's required.
This is required. Pero Attorney Paul, no? Being a common tao like us kami ni Grace, ano? Kasi minsan na-excite ka eh. Tapos, you came out with the brand name, and then nag-package ka, nag-label ka, kinalimutan ko to, and then, pumutok yung brand name mo.
Sumikat ngayon.
Sumikat, may isang tika nga muna. Check ka sa DTI, aba, walang pangalan, hindi rehistrado. I-register ko nga to bigla. Kinabukas sa pagising mo, meron kang kinusik kang lawyer, stop using that brand name. Teka muna, kami ni Grace ang isip nito eh. Inunahan ka ng registration. ng brand
Merong
name.
nagparehistro
Oo.
na una.
Inunahan ka. Nagamit na namin. Kahit anong lupasay gawin ko nun, ano? Within a...
Ganun ba yun? Ay, nauna
Okay.
ako eh.
My first advice to you, if you are developing a brand name, is that you look over at the website of the Intellectual Property Office.
To start
you
with.
Ah, may website naman
There-
pala.
yes.
Ayun. So, umpisa mo kagad
you
mag-search.
can conduct a search and
Mhm.
see if your trademark
Mm-mm.
is somehow similar to other trademarks already registered
Mm.
or are in the process of registration.
So ano po yung website natin?
Oh.
When we
bale,
did talk
basta
of
ano?
It's Intellectual IPOFIL. I think
Ayun,
it's
okay,
IPOFIL.
okay.
IPO
IPO and then
PHL.
IPO feel.
Phil.
Okay.
Yes. Now you're saying is that okay, you've been using your trademark already in the
Mhm.
market.
The market,
You've
yes.
developed it,
Yes.
etc. And then before you know it, upon filing of your own application, you are surprised that there is someone who has already registered it ahead of you. Okay.
Mm.
Now, what is your remedy? We have what we call a cancellation proceedings. You file that with the
So
IP
papakancel
office.
ako yung nauna.
Papakancel mo yung nauna sa'yo. Yun ang direction mo ngayon.
Siyempre, magiging
Why? And what is your ground?
Papalag din yun.
You will say that you have a better right over the trademark. And what will establish your better right? Mainly two things. Actual use in the market, in commerce. And two is prior use, meaning you were much ahead of that person
Nauna ako sa kanya. Nauna lang siya magparehistro.
who registered it ahead of you.
Kailangan na maraming testigo. Nauna
Talaga.
ako.
Kayo kung mag-multiple
Oo.
registration ka ng names at na-approve lahat,
Oh,
bayad ka pa rin.
Why
ano?
not?
Why not?
Pwede rin, ano? Pwede rin, ano?
But it's not only the name. You will be required to specify the classes of goods.
Baka naman magkaiba kayo.
Yes, wherein your
Yeah.
trademark will be applied on. No? Like let's say a trade name which is applicable to restaurants may also be registered probably for a product or a class of goods which is totally different from a restaurant.
Okay lang po yun. Kahit
That
magkapangalan.
may be allowed, yes.
Okay.
Because that will
Pwede pala.
what the IPO will be looking for is the possibility that there will be confusion in the market.
So kung magkaiba naman ng
Goods,
produkto, gano'n.
Totally different.
Pwede.
Totally different. But if it's related,
To each
meaning the
other.
goods, let's say you registered a brand name for leather goods, and then I'm attempting to register a similar one for clothing. These are related goods.
So hindi rin pwede
So
yun.
hindi papayag ang IPO niya.
Pero in the case of Clam 1, no, Pocholo, you have a dream to put up a bar performing stage area, no? Matagal-tagal bang panahon ang inisip-isip mo yung how to arrive
Na,
sa Clam 1?
hindi naman. Kasi ang ginawa namin noon, before we got into business, pinag-aralan eh. Kasi we didn't want to get into trouble.
So nag-iisip
So,
din
ni-research
kayo.
nila. Merong-
Oo.
Kasi
Nag-i-explain
getting into
ganun.
business,
Oo.
kinakailangan mag-umpisa ka, pag-aralan mo na. Parang pagdating sa dulo, hindi ka magkakaproblema.
Ayan.
So we do a lot of research and we have to register everything. So as of now, hindi kami nababahala sa pagkat. Legal ang ginawa namin. Gaya ng sa music, I was talking to Noy Noy, na even the
Noy,
Phil's
yeah.
Cup, nagbabayad kami.
The music they
Na
use
the
there.
music we use, every repertoire, kung
Pinabayaan.
kung ilan ang aming ginagamit na musika, we have to tell them ito, ilang repertoire, ilang kantang ginamit namin, at ilang sa gabi, bibilangin nila ilang upuan ang nanunood. Babayaran mo yun.
Magkano bayad doon? Curious lang ako.
No,
Malayo ba?
Annual yan, ano? Annual fee
Annually,
yan.
hindi
Ah,
naman
annual,
ganun
okay.
kadali. You have to explain to them naman.
Ah,
Ito yung ganito.
Oo, oo.
hindi naman sila masyadong ganun eh, kundi you have to explain. Ito
Kala ko
yung music.
binibilang daan.
No, hindi naman. Hindi, ibilangin nila. Ito yung bilang.
Dadami rin.
Gaano ba kalaki ang club mo?
Oo.
Ilan ang seating capacity noon? At ilan ang nanonood noon? So, they have to compute that. So, compute nila yun. And then pag kinompute nila yun, pwede ka naman magpag-bargain sa kanila. Pwede ba nila mo ng konti?
Kasi marami beses
So,
ko namang...
So hindi pala pwede, akala mo Grace, gabi-gabi taga-ano
Oo
ka,
nga.
taga-pins ka, nandun ka na,
Sakit naman ang ulo.
gabi yung chinecheck mo akin ang taga
Meron kang tatantusan mo, isang beses.
on a daily basis.
Guguhitan mo para ka lang nag-i-score sa...
Kami, we change the shoe twice a year.
Oo.
And then there are about 18 repertoire. So 18 music na yun, babayaran mo yung, like si Madonna, yung book niya, babayaran mo yun. Like ng Phantom of the Opera, babayaran mo yun. So tama lang naman ganun, parang nagninegosyo ka, dapat naman magbigay ka doon sa dapat mong bigyan.
Oo, kasi yun yung...
Dapat legal ka lang.
Mahusay yung respeto mo sa industriya.
Oo naman.
Hindi yung halabiran na sige, tarakan na tayo ng ano, ng walang kamatayan.
Huwag naman ganun. Ang ina dapat lahat makinabang at masaya. Hindi lang yung umasid ang negosyo mo. So you have to prosper.
Pero,
it's the same, and it's the same to all concerts.
pero Noy, no? Noy, from your end, ano, being a performer, and kasi a performer, pipili ka ng material na kakantahin eh, na babagay sa'yo eh, no? Yung composer ba, halimbawa ako ang iyong recording company, may 3 akong composer dito, Noy, pakinggan mo nga itong mga material na may rap study sila eh. Ngayon, you don't look at the character personality of the composer, but yung the quality of what he or she composed, no? Tama ba yun, ano? And then, what is your deciding factor for you to say, eto yung aking material na para sa akin?
Yeah. Kung bagay sa'yo, kung nasa una-una, kaya mo bang i-interpret yun muna? Nang mabuti. Number 2, based on experience, no? Number 2, napapanahon ba yung music niya?
Yan.
Yung lyrics, or gano'n.
Par-
Makakatulong ba yan? Nasa ano mo rin, nasa objective mo rin, kung if you can sing, if you sing any song, okay na. But if you are following a subject matter like pang-environment ka lang, o okay lang. But if, like me, I'm a pop singer, I want to sing any song na bagay sa akin.
Yung parang binanatan ni Bruce Springsteen na may material niya,
Yung kanta ni Lord na, ano to, yung Royal.
Royal.
I'll be royal. Kinanta ni
Binanatan ni Bruce
Kinanta ni
Springsteen
Bruce Springsteen.
na Royal in his own way and in his way of style of a Bruce Springsteen. And may rocky siya naman, pero he was able to give justice, no? So ikaw din, being a performer, as a singer, no? Pag yung ganong material, uy, mukhang akin to, parang
Pwede.
ikinurba sa akin to ah. May ganong feeling ba minsan?
Oh, of course, like Never Say Goodbye. Yung mga kinanta ko, talagang pinili ko yun. Pinili namin.
Kumbaga ako yung booking Monday, kahit maglulupa sa'yo, Noy, etong bagay ng material
Hindi,
sa'yo,
alam
you
niya.
feel
Alam
na
niya kung
hindi
anong
sa
bagay
akin
sa
to, no?
kanya.
Ayun, and siguro, no, ito isang material, no?
Ayan.
Isang material na, bagong material ni Nonoy, no? Na composed by a dear friend. Sino ang composer natin dito?
Miss Del Rosario.
Si Suzette.
Miss Del Rosario. Suzette.
Hi, Suzette. She's the sister of Connie Season, newscaster. She composed. Take note, first attempt niya to come out with the material. Nag-compose siya, inspired siya, at ang target niya, compose niya ganito. Parang pinuno yata to. Pinuno yata to. At nabuo niya yung material. And when it was presented to Nonoy, anong feeling mo nung pinesent sa inyo?
Maganda ka agad. When I first heard it, I said, that's mine.
O hindi mo na ano no? Siguro to give justice, kasi yung relasyon no? At ngayon, later on, Attorney Paul, tatanungin ka namin being a composer, ikaw muna, ano lagay ko ngayon? At nairampa na to, nai-ere na, we're doing a broadcast airing ng material. Nasaan siya ngayon, di ba? Tingnan natin yung mga yung mga composer na na gusto maging composer. Na saan ang tayo niya, no? Saan ang tayo niya? No.
Yes,
Being an interpreter. Yun ang label mo interpreter ka, no? Interpreter ka. Pagkatapos niya ma-record to, na linis nyo na
Everything.
mayabang ka na, eto na yung CD. Pwede na ako dito, no? Ako naman, may composer, no?
Yeah.
Natapos sa may relasyon ninyo ng composer pagkatapos nun? Na,
Hindi naman. You're in constant communication kasi pwedeng nagustuhan ng composer yung interpretation ko.
oo.
Palagi
And then
siyang
he's gonna-
kakanta.
Yes, he's gonna do another song.
O pero linawin natin, yung kantang pinatugtog mo kanina, inawit ni Mr. Nono.
Hanggang dito.
Naka-register.
Tama, ano?
So,
Interpreter
pwede
ka.
ba niyang kantahin yun na malaya ba siyang kantahin yun ng paulit-ulit kahit na siya yung nag-interpret?
Kasi may usapan kaming dalawa na, no, ikaw mag-interpret itong material ko.
Kada kakantahin ba niya, may kailangan naman ba siyang, may i-owe ba siya sa'yo? I mean, magbabayad ba siya o ano?
Pagkakanta ni Nonay sa Channel 2, for example,
Oo.
naman, okay, sa 10 piso. Bakit? Yan ang deal natin eh. Each performance, do I pay you this amount?
Kasi di ba meron kang intellectual property right dun sa kanta.
Oh, si Attorney Grace.
Kaya gusto kong malaman, si Mr. Nonoy ang nag-interpret, pero sa'yo pa rin yun. At tuwing kakantahin niya yun, siya ba'y magbabayad pa sa'yo? O kailangan ilagay sa isang kontrata na pwede niyang kantahin yun ng malaya?
Paano na?
Paulit-ulit habang buhay.
Umuwi ng Las Vegas. Umuwi si Nonoy sa Las Vegas.
Kinanta niya
Na-imbita
doon.
siya ng pumunta sa New York.
Oo, kinanta niya doon.
Kinanta din niya doon.
Babayaran ka ba niya doon?
Ganun na
Ganun
naman
ba yun?
release.
Pero bayad yun.
Oo,
May
tingnan mo
bayad.
na.
Pero
may bayad.
Attorney Paul Gancayco, being the authority when it comes to intellectual property, no, representing the industry per se, no, where would I stand? And at the same time, ang Phil's Cup naman, ako being the composer, tumakbo ba ako sa Phil's Cup para i-rehistro ko to? And that would be my
Oo,
protection.
kailangan mo pa bang i-rehistro yun?
Mhm.
No, not necessarily. I believe, no, although I'm not very specific about it,
Yes.
PhilSCAP is a private organization or a society or whatever organized for IP protection, mainly on the music industry or creative industry, arts
It's okay.
mainly. It is an assignee of many copyrights. That's why they are able to enforce the rights of the copyright holders. It is also an agent of certain copyright owners. So that's their purpose. Now, 2 years ago, with the amendment of our copyright law, organizations like PhilSCAP are now required to be accredited, officially through the Intellectual Property Office. So they are now being regulated too. Dati wala eh. Very interesting yung conversation kanina about Nonoy and the composer. Maybe we should go to that.
Ay, talagay ko. Kasi ano siya, very tricky.
Correct.
Pero ano ang being a composer, ano ang benefit ko naman doon, alay, sumikat ako. Sumikat ako. Ngayon mga tao nagtakbuhan sa, compose mo naman ako kasi napaputok mo isang material. Kinonoy. No? Or, sabi naman kinonoy, kakantahin ko yung material na kinanta niya.
So, magbabayad sa'yo.
Ano
yung
ang
kakanta.
authority mo ngayon, Nonoy, to say, ano yung mga kaibigan natin si Marco? Sabi ni Marco, pre, kantahin ko yung material mo. Maaari ko bang kantahin yan?
So,
No?
sa kanya magpapaalam. Siya yung composer.
Kanino magpapaalam? Sa'yo magpapaalam?
Sa
As a manager. At itong hapon na to, kasama natin sa ating diskusyon na maya-maya, si Nelia Lim ang ating manager dito. No? At tama, actually, no, tama ka. Nasa manager ang decision nun, ano? Tama, no? Pero, Attorney Paul, ano ang ngayon, nasaan, where
Yung
would
rights.
the
Yeah.
rights stand now, no?
Alright.
Kasi
May
nagpasahan na
karapatan
eh.
sa kantang yun.
I'd like to explain this to Dr. Nonoy. He's a very good friend of mine for a long time.
Mga kamaning
I wanted to say what year. No?
Say yung ano, light years ago.
Let me dissect, no?
Yes.
For your information. There is a difference between a composer and a performer. Sometimes they're in one person, but a lot of times they're different persons or groups. A composer will be the copyright owner.
The composer,
Sa'yo yun. Yung
yung
material.
nag-compose siya ang owner ng...
Copyright.
At ilang taong kung akin yun.
And a copyright
Buong-buo.
automatically emanates from the time of creation of the work. And it lasts during the entire lifetime of the composer plus 50 years thereafter. Quite long.
Paano pag
Michael
Jackson.
kung halimbawa,
Oo.
siya ay nawala na, di ba?
Plus 50 years.
Sino ngayon ang makakakuha ng karapatan dun sa kinumpose niya? Pamilya ba?
Normally, it would redound to the heirs.
Oh, yun.
Of the
Ito man na
composer.
ipapamana yun.
Attorney lawyer ka na ngayon.
Because it is considered as a personal property.
Ganun pala yun.
Personal
Much
property.
like, let's say, jewelry. It's a personal property. It can pass on to the heirs. Now going back to the rights. So, the composer being the copyright owner,
Mm-mm.
what are his rights? Basically, three things. He can carry out the song, meaning perform it himself. He can authorize someone else to do the performance for him, much like he did with Nonoy. And he can also prevent other persons from performing that
So, pag may
composition.
kumanta nun,
Those are
at hindi-
three basic rights of a copyright
So,
owner.
pag may kumanta nun, hindi
Abo.
na
Without
sa
authority,
kanya, pwede niya sampahan ng kaso.
Infringement.
Oh, yun.
Infringement.
Kaya dapat huwag kang kanta ng kanta pala.
No, I like to tag along with what
Ganun,
Nonoy
oo.
said earlier that the manager is the person to ask permission from.
Mm-mm.
That's possible because the manager is the agent of the composer.
At
So
saka,
you see,
madalas yung
ah,
manager,
okay.
the manager acts for the principal, which is the composer.
Yung composer. At nasa gitna siya ng composer
Siya yung
at
nakipag-deal
ng
sa
interpreter. Nasa gitna
Oo.
siya, no? Tama, no?
Actually, the manager works for the composer.
Okay.
He's he just acts for the composer.
I see.
Agent, like
siya yung
You and I.
nakipag-deal sa'yo, yung manager ni Mr. Nonoy.
like say I authorize Grace to be my attorney in fact, to do things for me.
Okay.
Then
yung
she is
manager
actually
yung-
acting for me.
I see, I see. Pero Nonoy, matanong kita, no? At being the interpreter, no? Katulad nung iyong monumental classic Never Ever Say Goodbye, no?
Yeah.
Ang composer nito si
Willie Cruz.
Willie Cruz. And that you talk of
Willie Cruz, yeah.
Willie
Pero
Cruz,
yung publisher, pero publisher
Ay, iba pa yung publisher.
Iba pa yung publisher, no?
Pero yung
Viva
composer
na
pa
ata.
rin.
Because Viva bought it from Willie.
lamsam niyang binili yung
So,
ano,
iba pa yung
isang
publisher.
bayaran yun.
Iba pa yung publisher, iba pa yung composer.
So in effect, pwede pala akong pumunta kay set ngayon.
Ibenta mo.
Yung nag-compose, yung hanggang dito, no? Kasi, wow, sumisikat siya. Nonoy, eto na naman yung mga material. Set, huling kita ng 100,000, akin na lang yung
So,
composition na yan. So, anong nangyari tuloy niyan? Pumayag si Set na for 100,000, inassign sa akin yun without telling Nonoy, si Nonoy yung mga kanta ng kanta. No.
Bigla ka nalang maniningil.
Bigla, Noy, excuse me, starting tomorrow, you should stop singing my material. What? Sabihin mo, natural, ano?
ganun pala yun.
Ano ang authority mo doon, Nonoy? Ikaw naman, halimbawa, lalo na nasa abroad ka, kanta ka ng kanta. You know? Nagiging internalize mo yung material eh. Ikaw na yun eh. Walang ibang, I'll never say, walang ibang pwede, no? What do you think of
Yung sabi mo pa, pipigilan ako kumanta.
Oo.
Ewan ko, hindi pa nangyayari sa
Hindi pa nangyayari.
Siyempre, wala
Kasi ako nag-interpret nun.
Wala namang pipigil sa isang Nonoy
Ako
Zuniga, no? At
nag-recording nun.
parang
Oo.
kawalan mo ata yun pag pinigilan mo siya. Pero kung illegal, di ba?
But hindi ka naka-experience, Noy, na biglang isang composer na sabihin sa'yo, starting tomorrow.
Wala.
Lulubog yung kanta mo.
Wala.
pero ikaw, being an entertainer, an interpreter, nagkaroon ka na ba ng collaboration sa material?
With Willie.
With Willie? Ano yan, over a cup of coffee? Pare,
Ayun.
it happened that way, no?
Sabi niya, anong gusto mong song na bago? Anong topic? With career and personal life, mga ganun. You are caught in between both. Anong pa-prioritize mo? Ganun. Gumawa siya ng song.
Naka-collaborate ka doon.
Tapos,
Ano yung,
kinikwento ko yung...
na-credit ka ba? Or,
Ay,
paano yun?
Hindi na kailangan i-credit.
Yung na naman, kasi ikaw naman mag-interpret eh, no?
Hindi na kailangan.
On the point of performing, there was an area raised by Grace earlier. that since Nonoy was the performer or interpreter of the, let's say, the song Never Ever Say Goodbye, since he was authorized to perform it, then he will be continually authorized to perform that song. Unless and until the copyright owner
Pigilan
prevents
siya.
him from doing so.
Or kung gano'n na binili ng iba yung material, ang may karapatan na yung bumili.
It depends, really. As I said, just like any other commodity, a copyright or an intellectual property can be sold. Can be sold, can be assigned, can be transferred. It can be in whole, it can be in portions. But the creator will never lose the right over royalty. The law protects him on that.
Pero,
Ganun pala.
pero, Attorney Paul, no, sa case naman ng club mo, for example, no, kasi, Pocholo, in a year, ilang beses kayo nagpapalit ng performance on stage na konsepto ninyo? At pag ginawa nyo yun, ano yung takbo na naman kayo sa Phil's Club, takbo na naman kayo?
No, siguro ganito, let's put this way, no? We change the show twice a year, every 6 months. So, binabago yun. Now, may gusto ko siyang itanong ngayon kasi, we created something awesome, fabulous na isang repertoire. Yun ang pinagbusan ng panahon, pag-iisip ko yung movie. Sometimes, I'm having a problem because kung may event kami, let's say corporate event siya, kasama yung show namin. Do they have the rights to tape the whole show? Or hindi pwede? Kasi wala sa kontrato ko yun.
Meaning, just because they commissioned you to perform
Yes.
before them, do they have the right to
To video.
to video it? Well, that is a gray area. But to my mind, they can do so. But the next question is, can they now show it somewhere else and earn from it?
Meaning, biglang pagbukas mo ng Studio 23, nalalabas.
In other words, that will be the prohibition. If it's for private use, no, meaning they tape it for private use because the event is really a big event and you're part of that event, they videoed everything as a remembrance, no, they can keep that video. But replaying it should always be for private use only and never for commercial. Never. Otherwise, you can prevent them from doing that.
Okay. Paano kung kinokopya nila yun?
They cannot do that. As I said, the
Paano mo
limitation.
namin makokontrol yun? I mean, for example, gusto ko ilagay sa kontrata yun na I got my big event. Like, for example, we work with a big corporate event. So they have to get our performance for about 45 minutes. Do they have the rights to copy that, everything, or hindi pwede? Plus sa kontrata ko yun eh.
The way I understood it, Pocholo, no, yung entire performance nyo is your own creation.
Correct.
Meaning, the songs, the dance number, the choreographies,
The
they're all
directorial
yours,
everything.
the costumes, etc. Okay. So the copyright to that belongs to you.
Correct.
Now, I'm going back to your original question. Can they copy it? Well, let's go normal. You cannot stop them from videotaping it. But what can they do with that videotape afterwards? Definitely, they cannot recopy it for commercial purposes. That's not allowed.
When you say commercial purposes,
Bibenta.
kung
Magkakakitahan na.
Pero kung para sa kanila lang,
But for
papanoorin
private
nila,
use,
okay lang.
because that's quite normal, no? Let's say you get married. Again, no? Get married and in your entire marriage, ceremonies, there is a performer and the entire thing was videotaped. Of course, you can hold on to that videotape because that's your memory of your event.
Bali si Pocholo, yung basic question mo, na-address ba? Yung basic issue na-address na, yung na-video siya at inuwi ko to at
Pwede yun.
pwede yun no?
Pwede.
Wag lang
Pwede
gamitin for, ibebenta or gamitin sa
Not for
promotion
commercial
po,
purposes.
So, bale, pag may kumontrata sa club mo, through Pocholo, at magpe-perform kayo, naka-notation na yun sa kontrata na pwede ninyong i-video cover tong okasyon na to.
No, walang ganong kontrata. But I want to protect because marami kasing gumagaya na hindi na po alam. For example, mayroong pumupunta doon. There was this thing happen na mayroong nagpunta doon, ginawa niya, katapos ginawang yung lugar, sa commercial yung lugar. And I was surprised when I saw it on TV. Hindi na ako kumibo kasi it would take a lot of time na, proseso, demandaan or whatever. Meron yung pumupunta doon na kukusel ng galon,
Ideas.
Pumupunta dun
idea,
sa...
and then kukunan yung, kasi ang ganda ng, it's a high-end ngayon. Ngayon binago yung interior ngayon, may mga pumupunta doon, kumukuha ng ganun. So, pinagbabawal ko sapagkat mayroong mga, you know what I mean? Because pinag-isipan mo yung interior lahat eh. Mas mayroong pumupunta doon, kinukuha yung lahat ng design, is bawal yun talaga, di ba?
Merong mga
Yeah,
may mga laws against that.
yeah, mayroon yung gumagawa ng
Pwede
ganun
niyong idemanda yung gumaya ng
Well,
interior design ng club, lahat-lahat.
Okay,
Kasi,
number
stress,
one.
kasi ganito yun eh. Kung magdidemanda ka, it will take so much time,
Tama.
abala, stress
Pero
pa
yun
yun.
lang-
So, ganun na lang doon, parang ipagbawal mo na lang. Pwede ko bang ipagbabawal na lang yun para matapos na. Kasi nga, if you get into demandan or what, sakit sa ulo, stress pa, tatanda ka, papangit ka pa, ayaw kong pumangit eh.
Pwede ba yun?
Pocholo, Pocholo, pag tumakbo,
Magkaroon ng mga
Pocholo,
ano, yung
pag
parang-
tumakbo ka kay Attorney Paul, hindi tatabat na tagal. Believe
Pwede
me.
ba yung magkaroon ng mga parang notices dun sa, yung within the club mismo?
In your own premises, you can
may mga
prevent people
notices.
from videotaping your
Or
Pictures,
pag
yes.
gagayahin yung...
Kasi maraming
Pwede
ganun
yun.
ako, nagkakaproblema ako ng ganung klase.
Sa pinto pa lang, isang pak mo na naman.
And then, meron naman yung...
Mula dito, wala nang gagaya.
Kumpanya, ano na
Diba?
anymore than ginamit yung lugar, tapos commercial
Hindi nga
nila.
nila
ng ganitong
ginaya yung
klase.
pangalan, lahat
No,
naman
nakita
ginaya
ko doon
nila.
sa TV na commercial na,
Isang ka na pa.
naitana ako. And then when I talk to me, gusto mo bang i-demanda ganitong klase? Pag i-demanda mo yan, it will take so much time. Punta ka sa
Oo nga
korte,
naman.
ganitong klaseng yan.
Matagal ba
Parang
yung
so
process?
stressful.
Yung
If
demand.
it's infringement, it's a criminal offense. So you have to go through the prosecutor's office.
Correct.
Yeah.
But your other option, of course, is a civil case. You can go directly to court to prevent them from, engaging in infringement. What is infringement? We've been talking about
Infringement,
that.
medyo
Yung mga
alien
listeners
sounding.
natin, hindi nila
Grace,
Okay.
define infringement.
Si
Yes.
Papa Gov ang mag-define.
In layman's term, it's simply copying.
Panggagaya.
Either you copy the entire production or song, or you copy a substantial portion thereof.
Medyo,
Wherein that substantial portion, when seen or heard by other people, unmistakably they will know this is the composer of that. That's not you.
So, bali pala, Attorney Paul, hindi pala ako pwede rumampa sa entablado ngayong gabi. At medyo mag-shave ako para hindi sabihin, feeling nonoy ako kumanta or I'll never say goodbye doon. Na may mga matching pikit pa and I would claim, I'm the better nonoy. And pwede ba yun?
Impersonator.
Impersonator.
Hindi
Infringement na yun.
Our copyright law is a bit different. No, they define infringement negatively. In other words, they did not put a specific definition of infringement. What they did is to list down the things which does not constitute infringement. And one of them is, well, the number one really is a performance, let's say of Nonoy, which is done privately and free of charge, or strictly for religious, charitable, or educational purposes.
I see.
Those are the exceptions. In
I
other
see, I
words,
see.
out of those exceptions,
Mm-mm.
they are committing infringement.
Pero at this point in time,
Na-abuse
palagay ko
siya.
sa nangyayari sa ating diskusyon na
marami pa eh.
ay, eto na po ang...
Alas 4 na po ng hapon.
Ay,
Bilis na
ano pa lang to, we're just on the tip of our discussion. Pero, Nonoy, ikaw, dahil hindi ka lang naman nagpe-perform dito sa Pilipinas, no? Nagpe-perform ka pa sa abroad. When you say abroad, Attorney Paul, pag sinabi mo kasi abroad, lalabas ka ng Pilipinas eh. Beat ko yung composition ng gumawa din sa Pilipinas eh. Nag-perform siya sa ano,
So, pwedeng habulin kahit
pumunta
na
ka
sa
ng
ibang
New
bansa
York
na kinanta?
na naimbitahan siya sa Radio City Music Hall. Mag-opening song number sa Filipino community. Walang kamatay, I'll never say good. Or even our new material, no? Na we just played earlier yung Hanggang Dito. Of course, bagong material ni Nono ito, no? Kinanta niya sa Radio City Music Hall. Nangyari na ba sa'yo yun na in your performance, ikaw pumipili ng repertoire? Tama ba yun?
Siyempre.
Ikaw pumipili ng repertoire. And then, after which, who will make a decision?
Yun ang magbabayad, yung producer. Yung nag-invite sa'yo.
Okay,
Yung
oo.
pakanta. Siya magbabayad ng kinanta mo.
So, in effect, mapa-feel ama ko, Filipino-American, or an American who's a producer, and I said, no, I'm singing my show tonight. You know?
So kahit nasang bansa ka, kahit saan lugar ka mapunta dito sa mundo, babayaran mo talaga yung may-ari ng kanta.
Kung saan nakaregister yung song.
Pero sa Amerika, no, when you're into your road show,
ASCAP yung US, PhilSCAP dito eh. Sa US, ASCAP.
Okay.
ang
Babayaran yung publisher
ASCAP, nakarehistro din ba?
Counterpart ng
Nakarehistro yun, no?
PhilSCAP.
So, may monitoring din pala sila doon, in a
Very
way.
strict, even strict, more strict.
Very, very strict. From your end naman, kung ikaw, Nonoy, being a interpreter, in your own way, naisip mo maging composer?
Naisip ko rin, pero hindi talaga ako composer.
Hindi,
I'd rather interpret the songs.
Hindi ka magmamarunong sa field na compose ako.
Pero in every concert that I do, whether here or abroad, yung producers, yun ang nagbabayad ng mga songs na kinanta ko that night.
I see. Pero ano to,
Sayang dapat, aside from, kami wala kami nakukuha doon, dapat meron.
Oo, kasi sila yung nagpasikat ng kanta.
in a way, yes, oo.
Yung talent fee na doon na mabawi.
So, mapa-minus one na naka-CD dito, or an orchestra or a live band performing to you na sa abroad, no?
Yeah.
Mapa-Europe, mapa-Amerika, no? Sila ba kumikita rin, lalo na yung mga band performers?
Yeah, as a live performer, kumikita sila for that night.
For that
Oo,
night,
parang
ano,
sa
one
talent fee nila
time
doon.
fee.
Yeah, one time.
One time.
Ngayon ko lang
fee ang
naisip,
tawag.
no? Ganun pala yun. Yung buong kita nung, halimbawa yung kanta, dun sa composer mapupunta. Wala man lang palang share doon. Yung nagpasikat na performer, di ba?
So, dapat meron
Diba?
nga.
Ibig ko sabihin kasi kung hindi naman
Sumustraight
ako ang kumanta niyan, baka hindi sumikat, di ba? Kaya sana kada may tatangkilik, meron man lang
Meron
akong
dapat
share
eh.
kahit ilang
Diba?
percent. Diba, no?
Medyo tricky, ah.
Performance rights.
Oo, di ba?
Actually, the performer has
Performance
his own
rights.
copyright on your own performance.
Performance
Now,
rights.
especially if it's already fixated. In other words, it has been recorded in the, let's say, in a video or that the performer has a copyright on that. He does not have the copyright over the song, but he has the copyright over the performance, which has been downloaded into a fixated a fixation system.
I see. Pero, halimbawa, ito ako, no, ako'y taga London.
Nakita ko, ako yun. Saan ka yung sisingiling ko?
Ayun. Ako'y taga London. Naisip ko yung bitayan si Nonoy at kumanta doon, ano, ng 3 song material dito, no, ng ginawa sa Pilipinas, no. Kinanta naman niya doon. Medyo galante yung producer sa London. I paid, sabi mo, through the manager, of course, because you don't negotiate for your talent fee, no? It's the manager. And then, diba, and sabi si manager, Noy, maganda ang kontrata. Sa 3 kanta, makaka 25,000 pounds tayo dito. No? Ikaw ba, in your own initiative, do you partake something to the composer? Or it's an option already? It's an option for you to share to the composer. Dahil nakakuha ka ng kontrata maganda sa London at binigyan ka na napakaganda. Is it
Live
mandatory ba yun na aabutan mo yung composer?
It's a live performance.
It's a live performance. So in effect, you get paid.
As a live performer.
Pero yung kantang kinanta mo doon, ano yung babayaran doon sa
Oo, bayaran.
composer? Yun na yung papunta sa composer. Hindi niya nababalik. Di ba kasi meron ng bayad para sa kanya?
Oo.
Let me clear that out.
Ayan,
As I
on
told
the
you,
legal point of view. But
Because Nonoy is an authorized performer
by the composer.
by the composer. In other words, between them, there is no more need probably of compensation every time that he sings that song.
Oo.
Ayun yung sinasabi ni Grace na hindi ka nakabantay palagi ka.
Unless,
mo yung kanta niya.
unless from the very start, they put it down in writing that in every time that Nonoy performs
in
that song,
writing. Okay.
performs that song, he will have to give, let's say, 5% of his talent.
Mapa live performance or
Kasi talent fee niya yun
But under normal circumstances, no. He's allowed to perform.
Pero pag yung pag ni-record ko na kasi yung song, dapat bayaran ako ng either composer or ng publisher to record that song.
on a one-time fee.
Yeah.
Talent
For,
Tama,
for
no?
recording yun.
For recording on a one-time fee.
One-time fee.
Now, when these things are aired on radio,
Doon
Sila
na lang
na
sa
yun.
composer yun, sa kanila na lang.
Publisher na yung kikita doon.
ito naman kami ni Pocholo, nakikinig ganyan.
No, mayroon ko tatanong sa inyo, no? Gaya ng we went to Waikiki in Hawaii.
Okay, in
Nung kami
Hawaii.
nagpunta doon, lahat ng kanta na ginamit namin, binayaran ng producer. Ngayon, pwede ba yung buong show na ginamit namin doon, pwede kong makuha ba yun o pwede kong iwanan na lang?
Video.
Video ba?
Yung buong show.
Yung buong
Na video niya.
Sila nag-video.
Is
And
there,
we've heard na they are using that already. Again, na kung anong ginagawa nila.
Pwede gawin.
Kaya hindi ko na alam. Narinig ko lang sa mga Pilipino po.
Pwede yun.
So again, we're going back to your own creations.
Kaya
This
gusto
is
ko lang
your show.
malaman na right now we're living for Cambodia
Yes.
in July. Of course, kami magpe-perform doon. TV-video nila yun ng producer, right? Do they have the rights to keep all those materials with them or do I have the right to give it back?
or a posterity.
Pwede yan.
Attorney
Alam mo-
Paul, sa Rotary Club, anong tawag natin yung posterity copy? For posterity.
Pwede.
Uy, pero alam mo, ito yung
Baka
natutunan
ibenta
ko
nila
dun
yun
sa
eh.
ano,
Hindi mo na
discussion
alam.
last Sunday kay Attorney Dot.
Anong sabi ni Attorney Dot?
Sabi niya, from the very start sa kontrata, specify na
But
yan.
specify
Na yung
Specify
video, pwede niyong i-video, hindi niyo pwedeng gamitin. Or pwedeng hindi niyo pwedeng
Commercial
i-video,
purposes
ayaw ko.
bawal.
O pwedeng ganun daw yun, sabi ni Attorney Dot. Dapat sa kontrata, nakalagay na
Kaya ka
para
nagkasa.
walang...
On a legal point of view.
Oo.
Well, that's really the best. Everything in
Pero hindi
writing.
naman yung-
That's the most ideal. And hopefully you are able to cover all your rights involved in that performance. But in practice, it's not, there's no hard and
Minsan
fast
hindi
rule.
na
Okay,
nalalagay yun.
now you go to Cambodia, let us say, you do a performance which is an original creation
Correct.
of
Original
your group.
creation.
They videoed it. No, they videoed it. As I said, there's nothing wrong with merely videotaping it.
Correct.
As long as it is for private use and they will not use it commercially.
Benta.
But if they will now reproduce it and sell it,
Yeah.
the video, that is different.
Kaya lang,
They now
maghahabol ka sa
violative
Waikiki.
of your copyright. Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Actually, because we're part of
Oo.
international
Pwede mong habulin.
conventions.
Kaya lang ayaw
May,
nga
okay,
nila.
may international,
Pwede.
okay.
We have what we call the Berne Convention,
Oo.
wherein the Philippines is a signatory. It's a treaty.
It's a treaty.
Yes, and
Aba.
in countries which are also signatories to that same treaty, and most are, then you can enforce your copyright.
Could we put that in the contract?
Of course, yes.
You can, so,
Well,
Kasi
actually,
wala-
you don't even have to if the country is a signatory to the Berne Convention. Automatically, it's part of their own local law.
so bali pala, Pocholo, it would be good from your end. May bit-bit ka nung treaty copy na yun. At medyo sinasampal-sampal mo sa kanyang
Or
gano'n.
para ano, lagay na lang sa kontrata. no?
Ay, you know.
Ganito na na.
The treaty is very simple. It recognizes the copyright as a right
As a right.
of individuals who are residents or citizens of signatory countries. So,
I see.
in other words, if Cambodia is likewise a signatory to the treaty, you can enforce your copyright in Cambodia.
Pero Pocholo, ano ba fear natin dito? Nag-perform kayo, original composition, original choreography, original costume, no?
Nagagaya
Tapos,
na.
aman,
Oo.
after pag-alis ninyo, may club wanks.
Nagagaya.
Club
I mean,
wanks.
yung-
And then yung club wanks, medyo may nakwento sa'yo. Poch,
Pareho
yung
pa.
performance ninyo. Xerox copy dito. Pati
Ayun,
pangalan,
oo.
club wanks. At meron din Pochola, you know, na on top dun, ano?
Of course, subject to local laws, no? Kasi when you do enforcement work in another country, they will be using their own laws. And I'm sure they have.
They have, oo.
They have, no? So, mindful of their local laws there, or national laws, then you enforce your right against, for infringement.
I see. Pero, Nonoy, ikaw naman, ano, being a performer, no? Kasi si Pocholo would be a producer, eh. Tama ba, no? You are a producer, at being a producer for a show, problema mo yung musikang gagamitin, ano, nasa entablado, ano, paano ang choreography, you know, paano mo sila dadalhin doon. Ito yung mga sinasabi ni Tony that part of the booking contract, eh, no? And then, ikaw din na, hihingi mo ako ng copy ng coverage ito, Usapi. Wherein, ito naman ang Nonoy, go to Denver, Colorado, perform 5 songs, no?
Oh.
Hila ka doon, no? Ikaw naman, ano worry mo when it comes to this, on this aspect? From your end,
Video-tape, ganyan.
yes, oo, that's
Hindi,
right.
nasa kontrata na namin yun. Nakalagay, videotaping is not allowed unless sinabi na ni attorney.
Oo.
private.
Pero
For
from your
private
end,
use.
nakikita mo na, I'll never say goodbye. May cellphone na sa harap mo.
Oo.
Binabanata ka ng cooperation.
dapat
no?
strict yung producers, sinasabihan nyo. No,
The audience.
Mm.
The audience.
Before.
Oh,
Before.
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 Sinisita
For
yung
the
mga
start,
tama, ano.
Pero sinasabi
Kasi-
na before eh.
Oh, tama
Kasi
yun.
siya, yun nga, from the very start pa lang, may kontrata, nakalagay dun lahat na bawal. So siguro dapat gano'n.
Tapos kung,
Ipin mo sa kontrata.
kung mapilit naman yung yung producer, I mean yung organizers of the show na gusto na i-videotape, gusto na ibenta, pag-uusap na yung dalawa.
Ayun.
Paano
Before
May
your
may
performance.
Ah.
Before your performance.
Before lagi yun. Dati na pwede lagay sa kontrata yun.
Pero naka-encounter ka ba na kinabukasan ay biglang, aba, nasa YouTube ako eh.
Ah,
Di ba?
yes. Oh.
Ay,
It
lagi,
happened, ano?
no?
How do you feel being a
Pinatanggal namin.
performer?
Pinatanggal namin. I called the producer, bakit sinong please locate that person who uploaded that.
May tinatawag na digital print or something sa internet.
Maraming laws
yun,
yun.
no? Na you can
Maraming
trace
laws
kung
pa yan,
sino yung
ano?
nag-upload,
You
no?
cannot just,
Oo. Pero kung matigas ang ulo niya, do you run to a lawyer and say,
Pwedeng,
but-
yung
but-
nag-upload sa YouTube, pwede siyang,
but being a performer, Nonoy, marami ka na na-encounter ng gano'n.
Marami pero iba hindi ko alam kung paano habulin.
kasi
Naman,
minsan, pseudonym lang naman yung nilalagay nila sa YouTube, di ba? Hindi yung real name nila.
Yes, it's very, very difficult. We've always
Hirap
looked
yun.
at the protection vis-a-vis the e-commerce law.
E-commerce law.
And it's very, very difficult to track those people who upload because they might not even be here. If you're running after them for criminal
Prevention
prosecution,
talaga.
the fact that they are not here does not result into criminal liability because there is a question of where it was done.
Where it was done.
Yes, where it was
Okay.
Jurisdiction, or
Jurisdiction.
territoriality, yung tinatawag
I
namin.
see.
Kasi hindi mo na matitrace pag nag-upload.
Tapos
So prevention is better than,
Done, ano?
ano ba,
Bigyan
filing,
tayo
charges.
But Donna is correct. They had it they had it retracted. In other words, there are
Tinawagan
ways.
yung organizer, no? Dun siya.
There are ways
Tama.
of contacting the domain name owners, etc., and requesting them to remove the material
Oo.
from, let's say, YouTube.
So, bale, Nonoy, ikaw, ang primary contact mo palagi is the producer for you to say no. And if ever you have to trace, through the producer pa rin, ano?
So yung dun sa
Doon kung sino man yung
Oo.
lugar na yun, ano? Pero ikaw, kung nakikita mo na sa internet, kaliwat kanan na yung mga live performance
Nasa
mo, no?
Facebook, so ina-upload.
Ina-upload nila
Hirap
ganyan,
napigilan,
ano?
oo.
Mahirap pigilan talaga kasi na-upload na eh. Hindi mo naman, hirap habulin
Tapos may
yun.
mga mag-share na yun. So kung maawat man yung principal, yung nag-upload, yung mga nag-share ba, yung paano?
Nakakahiya pa kasi kung yung in-upload nila, yung pumiyok ka.
Oo.
Oo.
Pwede mo ang daming singers in-upload. Nilagay pa nila sa label. Ito, pumiyok sa ganito.
Oo.
Pero which
Panoorin
day,
nyo.
at tapos
Pero yun.
kasi 1,000,000 yung nag-like.
Oo,
ayun yung...
1,000,000 yung nag-like.
Oo.
You know, very true, no?
Pinaka-importante, prevention talaga.
Oo. So,
Prevent yun na. Wala
Prevent
na magre-record.
simula pa lang sa
Ang
kontrata,
next show,
pagbawal mo na.
And there was one funny incident.
Prevented.
Ano? There was one funny
Tama.
incident dito sa Pilipinas. Yung nag-perform yung ating sino yung bulag na
Oh.
performer
Lalaki.
lalaki? No.
Hindi, ano ba, local?
From
Italian one?
Italian. Akala ko
kagrupo nila Pavarotti.
Oh, Bocelli.
Bocelli, right.
Akala ko naman local.
Andrea.
Andrea Bocelli.
Andrea
Bocelli.
Bocelli, oo.
Araneta Coliseum. So of course yung mga high-end Manilas 500 was
Oh.
there. Mga rubbing elbows mo, no?
Oo.
At
Video niya.
I remember yung si Bocelli, may mga team siya who was at the gate. Ang kap-kap nila all the cell phones.
Oh, wow.
Talagang they had a one-on-one. Nataranta ang Araneta Coliseum, it was an impromptu requirement by the end of Andrea Bocelli na no cell phone, no anything that could document what's inside. So tuloy, anong nangyari? Biglang,
paano yun?
anong nangyari na
Kinokolekta
Tarante
yun?
Araneta,
Confiscate mga
nag-create
cellphone.
sila ng small table,
Oo.
they put in their stock, you have to deposit your phone, plug them in all the
Oh.
stock. It was horrible after the show. Imagine
Mm.
thousands and
Oo,
thousands of
i-claim
people
yung
would like to
cellphones
get
nila.
back at makuha nila. Riot yun.
Wala.
Riot yun. But yun nga, no, sabi mo nga, no, you know,
Hindi naman itong performer.
International sila eh.
wala kang magagawa eh, no? Wala mo. Pero from your end, ikaw naman, nagda-live perform kang ganyan at medyo, oops, kikita mo kasi sa cellphone, may liwanag eh, no? Do you give a bad steer to the stage manager? You cannot, no?
As a performer, you don't do that.
You don't do that, no?
Maybe
Ikaw,
after you tell the
Tell your
manager,
manager.
the manager will talk to the producer.
I
Ganun
see.
lang.
At hindi kayo never say, pinagtitilatan mo yung isa. Ano ako binibidyo, you know?
Pero ang ginawa ko, parang pabiro, when I was singing, it's not Never Say Goodbye. It was a fast song.
It was a fast song.
And then lahat naglabas ng video. Ang ginawa ko, naglabas ko rin yung ano,
Ninja.
binidyo ko sila. Ito yung mga nagbibidyo ng song.
So may proof ka naman, ano?
There is a law already against that. I believe we can use the
Oo.
anti-camcording law.
Anti-camcording law. When
Kala
you
ko sa
say
loob lang ng sinehan, bawal na joke lang.
Hindi, pati
No,
sa live, eh, no?
performances. Like
Oo,
performances.
lahat.
anti-camcording law.
I just forgot the
Meron
number.
yan.
Attorney,
Wala, oh.
Attorney, I'd like to ask something from you, no? Para bang, example, we are invited to perform na hotel.
Yes.
During the rehearsal, we have to do a lot of rehearsals, di ba? Minsan binibigay mo yung music mo doon sa technician nila, no? Kasi ang music namin, for example, one repertoire, 4 ang ginagamit ng music na ini-splash. Hindi ganun kadali ang gumawa ng isang repertoire na kasi nga ini-edit splash yun.
Kailangan may
Kaya
bantay
sila
ka dun sa
nagtataka kung
technician.
bakit saan mo kinuha music na yan.
Oo.
Ngayon, pag sa rehearsal na yan, ang ginagawa, siyempre, di pa rehearsal, hindi mo alam. I just discovered that na may mga gumagamit ng music namin na para bang gano'n yun.
May
How
mga
could we
bantay dun
protect
sa
that?
technician.
So ito, I presume Kecholo this already. Naareglo niyo na yung, in other words, yung materialis niyo, no? So already probably in your CD or your USB
Oh,
na
pinahiram mo
You
at
just-
i-rehearsal, pinahiram mo na hindi mo alam na
Kinopia.
sila pala ay nagdadabing din pala.
a lot of times actually kinokopya talaga sa lalo na kung USB yan. Papasok mo na rin sa
Ang bilis,
sa
oh.
laptop or ano. But you know, really, they cannot reuse that. That's the point. They cannot and definitely cannot use that commercially. So the fact that they're allowing other people to use that would be tantamount to infringement.
Anong oras ang hinili mo
Gulo
kay
na
Larry?
naman.
30.
Well, the laws are here. You know, copyright is statutory creation. So we just have to adhere with whatever is contained in the law. Your operation is covered mainly by the provisions of the copyright law. Now it's up to you whether or not you would want to enforce
To enforce, no?
your rights. Yeah.
I
But
see,
that's
I
true.
see.
It
But-
may be tedious,
Mm-mm.
but if you're really serious in protecting
Pwede.
whatever you have, then you have a basis.
But attorney, ito bang mga people there, are they aware about this law?
Ayun, good question.
Ignorance of the law
Yeah.
does not excuse anyone.
Yeah.
No, in other words, they cannot make it a defense that they don't know the law. No, as long as they're violating the law, and you run after them for doing so, they cannot say na, no, I don't know the law, I'm ignorant, I'm innocent. No, they will be prosecuted.
Narinig, anyway, you will be prosecuted. parang hindi yung nakaposas ka.
Nakatakot.
You will be prosecuted.
Lagot ka.
Siguro the best really is prevention. No? Sabi nga ni Nonoy kanina, sa umpisa pa lang, sabihan nyo na.
Yung technician na
No, hindi mo pwedeng kopyahin yan. Or pag kinopya mo, burahin mo after.
Ay, iyan ang
diba?
isang masaya dyan, yung mga -1, di ba, Nonoy?
Kailangan
Di ba yung niloload mo sa technician, Sir, cut 4 ng CD ko, cut 7, ano? Tapos, sige, yan ang aking -1 pag entablado. Eh, of course, hindi ka kagad na rampa, no? Ito sa technician, sabi mo nga, USB or i-download ko lang, may copy na ako ng
Ang
-1.
bilis nga eh.
Di ba?
Oo.
Lalo na pag Pinoy talagang mabilis. Mabilis ang
Yung mga -1 mo, wala.
Wise.
Click lang eh, di ba?
Oo.
Computer.
Yung mga -1 mo ba, wala ba napipirata? Na,
Pero pag sinasabi ko lang, sige, kantahin nyo lang ako, i-promote nyo na lang yung kanta ko.
yun naman from the end.
Ano
ano?
na lang ba?
Pero no, being a performer, no, at ikaw ilang dekada na sa industriya, no, at meron tayong bagong material ngayon na pinopromote na parang interpreted by Suzette, no? Dito sa ito yung ating
Position
hanggang
of
dito, of course, no. The question is, halimbawa kami ni Grace gusto namin maging songer katulad, you know, at paano kitaan dito? Paano ka kikita being a composer? Dahil sisikat ako, tatakbuhan ba ako ng iba? Uy, you're a good
Babayaran.
composer, you know.
May percentage yan eh. Kung gusto ipa-record ng composer sa singer.
Oo.
Oh, babayaran nyo yung ng composer
May talent fee siya,
yung
babayaran
singer
mo.
to record the song.
Okay.
Or yung music publisher. Depende.
Depende.
Ngayon, pag na-release na yan at
Kada benta niyan,
sa
composer
Philscap,
na lang ang...
Hindi, dapat meron din yung singer kasi may performance rights. Depende sa usapan.
Depende
Yun
sa
yan,
usapan.
Kung nag-usap
So, may
sila yan,
kontrata.
yun na yung kikitaan.
Wala siyang
Say
tailored,
60-40.
walang tailored fit pala na
Wala.
agreement
Nasa
yan, ano.
usapan yun.
So, yung mga ating mga katropa sa ere na nag-aasam-asam naman, uy, may composition ako. Ilalapit ko to kay Nonoy, you know. Eh hindi kilala, pero tama yung material na to. Sino nagbibigay ng presyo? Sino nagbibigay ng lump sum? Sino
Oo nga, no?
No, kasi sa ating mga listeners ngayon, mahusay ang compose, good
Oo,
material.
paano kung bago pa lang? Ako
Exactly.
may na-compose ako, wala akong ka-idea, paano ba yun i-market?
Yun, no? Pagkatapos nun, naayos mo na lahat. Grand opening, launching nito, pumunta ako sa Club 1, no? Halimbawa, doon ko ilo-launch yung album na yun, ano? Si Porcholo naman, sabi niya, teka nga muna, ma-broadcast ko nga to para ma-promote ko. Tuhog-tuhog siya, no? Who's there to say, time out? Time out. Ito. Di ba?
Oo nga, no?
Daming
Sino
Ang
may
daming
control?
gumanon eh. Gumanon. no?
Sinong may control
Oo,
doon sa ano?
nag-umpisa na
Yung
ako.
composer. Eh kaya lang, dahil wala siyang alam.
Pati din
Antay siya ng advice kay Nonoy, nilapitan niya eh.
Oo eh. Umabot hanggang club mo, ikaw naman na-overwhelm, ano? Teka muna, time out. Hindi pa tayo nagre-recording dito, eh, no? What will be your decision then?
Una-una, yung composer, dapat ang tawag niya, i-assign mo na
I-assign.
niya kung kanino yung gustong pa-record. Tapos, pero yung song niya, dapat i-register niya.
I-register.
So, ito yung mga proseso. So, kumbaga ako
Kasi
ngayon,
alam mo, merong isang
For
kanta
protection,
na...
kasi pwede rin.
Pwede ko mabanggit yun. Pero di ba merong local na kanta na sumikat na, napasikat siya nung lalaki. Ngayon, nung sikat na inangkin ng isang babae,
Oo.
yung pusong bato. Di ba? Nagkaroon na...
Oo.
Narinig
Oh,
din
sino
naman yan.
nag-
Di
sino
ba?
nag-
Parang
oo.
gano'n na yung babae daw ang composer.
so in
So,
effect,
kailangan talaga i-register.
so bale, from a legal point of view and advice, no? Kung yung mga ating mga katropa sa area ngayon,
Register
may
muna.
composer, register ka muna.
That's the best.
Register na lang.
Bago ko umabot kay
Yes.
Club 1 na
Basta
ano yung
yun lang
launching
yung simula.
natin sa katapusan ng buwan, ha?
Yung
Dapat
first,
register niya yung song.
yung basic step.
Even before i-record yun.
Oo, yun na talaga.
Dapat naka-register.
remember earlier I said that the copyright is automatic. No? It emanates, it is there from the time the work is created. But we have what we call a quote-unquote a registration system. It's not strictly a registration system. It is only a deposit. In other
Depository
words,
siya ng material mo.
you are already registered. You already have a copyright, let's say, over this composition. But it is advisable to deposit a copy of the same, etc., with the National Library. That is where
The National Library.
the National Library is the depository. Why? Why do you deposit? Why do you register? Quote unquote. Basically, it's for notice. Meaning, the process of registration or depositing, much like, let's say, a title in a property, no? You have it registered in the Register of Deeds because it was noticed to the entire world that he or she is the copyright owner of this composition. Also, if there will be some kind of a court action or legal action later on, it is expedient that you have a registration because now you have a certificate that you're really a copyright owner.
So from a performer's point of view naman, may lumapit sa isang performer like Nonoy. Kayo naman, from your end, would you take the initiative na, ay, copyrighted ba yan?
Yeah, no.
Diba, no? From your end naman, ano?
Dapat
At least have it
ganun din.
copyright
Oo.
first.
Oo. So, you have
Maging
your,
maingat ka
may
din.
responsibility din kayo, no?
Correct.
Ito yun. Kasi, para maiwasan yung gulo afterwards.
So, in effect, meron ding initiative from your
Yes,
end.
we remind the composers, register nyo muna yan.
Yun.
Bago tayo
Bago
magkwento.
tayo, yeah, even before we talk.
I see. And tama, kasi nga tama ka, attorney, yung feeling na registration to the full extent of the law. You know, it sounds so legalistic, but hindi pala, no? Depository lang pala siya.
It's a depository, yes.
Depository to protect you later on.
Yes.
Tama, ano? At si Pocholo naman, kung gagamitin niya yung bagong material ni Nonoy, all you have to do is check with PhilSCAP. Tama, no?
Yun lang.
Yun lang, no? At if sinabi ng PhilSCAP, pwede mong gamitin niya sa inyong performances. And from your,
With pay.
with pay, no?
With
Dapat
pay.
malinaw.
With pay.
With pay.
Para safe tayo.
What I know is that the composers would then normally assign their rights to PhilSCAP so that PhilSCAP will have the authority to enforce the rights
I see.
in copyright.
I see.
And then basically these are economic rights.
Economic rights. Ay, alam mo, Mr. Pocholo of Club Moi, no? Na-enlighten ba tayo sa diskusyonan natin itong araw na to? Na umaandar-andar sa utak mo. Kasi itong hapon na to, yung diskusyonan natin, isang lugar na may performance,
Kompleto.
gumagamit ng
Oo.
material, at natatakot na paglabas sila ng bit-bit, kinopya yung kanilang ginawa. Ito naman ang Nonoy, so hindi ka nakasama natin ngayong hapon na who would love to interpret the perfect material for it. No? But of course, may role din pala kayo, no? Na may lalapit na bagong composer. Ang unang mong tatanungin, ay, copyrighted ba yan?
Oo,
Register
ganun
mo
pala
yan.
yun.
Registered ba yan? At pag ikaw naman nasa Amerika o nasa London, may counterpart pala ang PhilSCAP.
Apparently, yes. But, you know, as I said, Direk Ed, maraming organisasyon na ganyan. Hindi lang naman PhilSCAP ang
Tama.
organization to
Ano po may iba?
pursue copyright or
Meron nag-aaway,
any
di ba?
intellectual
Dalawa.
property
Hindi alam ko
rights
sino babayaran
for that
ko.
matter.
I
So
see.
there are others. So iba-iba rin ang kanilang mga rules of engagement.
Basta ang mahalaga i-rehistro yun.
Rehistro yun na
Oo.
invoice
Yun na
down.
talaga.
I-invoice down.
Ah.
Sa ating mga katropa on the air, no? Nandito sa nakikinig sa atin, of course, sa Musika Tutampan. At gusto malaman pa, kasi Attorney Paul, may mga tao na gusto humingi ng legal advice. No? May mga tao na, I can afford you, attorney. May mga iba naman na, Tarne, bubble gum lang po at chewing gum lang po ito. Maaari ka ba namin makonsulta
Gratis.
po?
Pro bono.
Pro bono. Kasi si Attorney Paul, being a Rotarian, okay, being a Rotarian, he's a governor, previous
Yeah.
PDG, no? And incoming president, chaired for the 19th upcoming...
Past chairman of PPCRG, which
Yes,
is
yes, sir.
the
And
Organization of Governors.
I see. And Rotarians
Yeah.
have been extending so much help to the community, no? Kung ako isang ordinary composer ngayon na nakikinig dito, maaari pa silang humingi ng konting tulong sa'yo.
Of course, Direk Ed, we can easily be contacted, no? And we're willing to give.
Balasbas Law Office.
Yes, correct,
Can they make
correct.
inquiry initially?
Correct. In fact, I will just not mention the channels and the radio stations. We've been consulted by several shows already on matters like this.
I see. So, Pocholo, when it comes to entertainment law, we talk of Attorney Dotgan Cayco, our guest last week, which is the loving.
The wife.
She's more on contracts. She
Contracts.
handles that. Really.
Whereas when you talk of the intellectual property rights, no?
Siya naman yun.
Siya naman
Oo.
yun.
Part
Sa amin,
Okay,
pagdating sa
part
jaywalking, talk to us din. Kami yun. But when it comes to performance,
Yes.
the performer, no reason yun.
Of course.
Wala
Of
nang iba.
course.
Wala nang iba. At siguro, bago tayo magtapos ng hapon na to, no? Napakabilis ng diskusyon natin.
Oo.
Parang dumaan lang
At saka
siya.
kompleto siya, ha?
Dumaan lang siya
Lahat
ng
ng
gano'n.
aspeto.
Lahat ng aspeto na cover natin. Pocholo, maybe you can invite yung mga ating mga katropa.
Yeah.
Ano ba upcoming natin sa club mo? At kailan
saan
mo,
yun?
at
Bigay mo yung
kailan mo kami
location
niya.
iimbitahan? At
Location,
kailan mo
saan
kami
yan?
iimbitahan doon nila mga, makita naman yung lugar mo.
Kasi ganito yan, we are now 11 years.
11 years.
Yeah, we survive
Yes.
against all odds because
Okay, so kanta yun.
Mandaluyong
may copyright
is-
yun.
yeah, is famous for mental malfunction, right? Either you are in or out. Oo naman, kasi
Saan
wala
doon?
wala kami sa Quezon City,
Makati.
sa Makati,
Oo.
sa Eastwood, wala kami doon. We are in Mandaluyong. Para bang kami nasa disyerto.
Parang napaka-off ba, no?
Na off ba na pupuntahan ka talaga. What is Club Moi? What
When you
is
say
Club
moi, how do you spell club moi?
MWAH, Moi.
Moi,
It's a French
it's a
word.
French
Word means
It-
kiss.
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 Kiss, right.
Moi.
So, itong 11 taon namin, binago yung konsepto namin.
Okay.
Because for the past 10 years, famous for Las Vegas, Moulin Rouge, and Broadway.
Alright.
So, ang ginawa namin ngayon, part 1 is the usual Broadway, Moulin Rouge, and
Moulin Rouge.
Vegas.
Okay.
Part 2, ginawa namin Filipiniana. Para
Alright.
bang a lot of expat balikbayan and
Yeah.
the DOT
I
called
see.
me up. Why won't you also include Philippine folk dance?
I see. Kailan may sneak preview dito? Na
Tapos
mag-preview?
relaunch this last April. So ang ginawa
Okay,
namin
kumusta
yung
ang response?
yeah, okay na. Yung folk dance kasi ginawa namin with the touch of Las Vegas na binago stylized.
Stylized.
Stylized lahat. So lahat ng folk dance ginawa namin igorot, hindi yung typical na authentic.
Mm.
Hindi, iba yung damit, ibang musika, ibang choreography. Even yung
Nice.
pandang ko sa ilaw with the touch of Avatar.
Oh, di ba? That's
They
interesting.
colored blue.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Even yung single na ginawa namin,
Oh.
inibang konsepto rin. So lahat ng bayanihan company, they were amazed when they watched the show. Iba yung ginawang konsepto.
Oh, yeah.
So pag
Style
manunod
mo
ka
yun.
doon, iba yung ginawa. So yung dalawa ngayong show, nag-aagawan kung sino mas maganda.
schedule?
Yung part 1 or part 2.
Aba, paano ngayon to, Pocholo? Do I, on a Monday, on a Friday?
No, we only
or
open on weekends. On Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's very hard to open on weekdays.
On
Malaki
weekdays.
overhead doon. Alam mo
Oh.
yan.
Thursday,
Lunes
Friday,
patay ang entertainment. Tuesday patay, Wednesday. So, only on weekends lang.
On
but,
weekends.
but we do a lot of event outside.
When you say events, like there's a, halimbawa, a multi-level company with an awards night and
Yeah.
you might have some performance.
Mm.
Kayo ba yun?
Yes, we do a lot of like Philippine Chamber of Commerce, Philippine Air Force, mga ganon.
Mm.
So we do a lot of Thanksgiving party ng hotel. We do it on weekdays, but on weekends,
Doon
we
ka.
are there, doon kami.
Club mo.
I
Club
see.
mo.
At halimbawa naman, Pocholo,
Wala siya, sige, five.
halimbawa, Pocholo, ako naman, gusto kitang, teka nga muna, mahila ko nga tong klabo sa aking performance. paano kita kukontakin?
Yeah, we have this number. We have the website, the Facebook.
The website, when you say website,
www.clubmo.com.
dire-diretso yun, ano?
Dire-diretso.
Club Moi.
And then we have the Facebook. So marami po ngayon. I mean, we like to invite everybody to see this kind of performance na mabibighani ka sa papanood. Like now, you'd been there many years
Yes,
ago.
oo.
Okay? But when you come back this time, Club Mo has been upgraded, all the lightings, the sounds and everything. Binago lahat.
I
Tired,
see,
no?
I see, I
Ako
see.
nang tayo, Tony, dyan.
One of these days, magmi-media tour kami doon.
I will give you
Wala
ticket
tayo.
today, lahat kayo.
Okay.
Wow!
Kaya lang yung ticket bibig ko kay Nonoy, June 30, wala na yan dito eh.
No,
Next
next
weekend.
this weekend,
Ano, Friday, Saturday?
Friday, Saturday. We'll have to see you Friday.
Oh.
So you
yes,
could
sige.
see the whole thing now. Binago
Sige, sige.
lahat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ed, last year we performed sa Resort World. Have you heard of that?
Yes, of course. In fact, I congratulated
Yeah.
you, no?
Kami ginawa-
for Resort World to say yes.
Mainstream. Kami ginawang alternative ng Dakihan Eye.
Oh,
Ah,
And then kami yun. And then resort people were surprised that we could create a mainstream na kami gumawa.
Initiated and produced. local.
Produced by Club Mo na we could come up with the grandeur production na kami nag-produce.
Pero Pucholo, ikaw ano? Overnight ba napapag-isipan mo bumuo ng show o...
Ay,
o-
mahirap, hindi.
Ngayon ba kinabukas, pag-isip mo, ay, halika dito, halika ikaw.
Hindi, no. It's not,
Gaano katagal?
it's not that easy to produce a show because you do a lot of research. Mag-research ka na kinakailangan, yung ipapalabas mo, hindi kachipan, hindi ka yan.
For the sake na may maipalabas ka
May
na.
ipalabas.
Mediocrity, we don't go for that. Mediocrity, we cannot do for that. Kung talagang gagastusan mo ng ganun, gagastusan mo.
And ako, Atty. Paul, nung nahila ako doon sa kanilang custodian section doon, sabi ko sa'yo,
Nakita ko mga
agulat
costume.
ako. I'm surprised that yung wardrobe na wardrobe, sabi yung ganyan, tika nga muna. Hindi to ordinaryong creation.
Yeah. Las Vegas style.
Las Vegas style, ano?
Elegant.
Like I said, ito yung lugar talagang, since we own the place, talaga you must have the budget to produce talaga. Na like I said, we are not in Quezon City, we are not in Makati, we are in Mandaluyong na parang disyertong pupuntahan mo yun. Pagpunta mo doon, ano bang meron dito? So kinakailangan mapakita mo maganda. Na hanggang sa labas, and when you come back now, binago yung lobby hanggang sa loob. Binago lang.
Saan na yung exact location ng class?
Sa Bonnie Avenue.
When you say Bonnie Avenue,
Bonnie
almost
Avenue.
Showboat, almost EDSA, almost, kasi
Yung
mahaba ang
exact
Bonnie
location.
Avenue.
Bonnie Avenue, malapit kami sa City Hall. Ito lang yung pinakamagandang gusali. At pinakamalinis at pinakasupladang gusali.
So pag pupunta kami doon, maghahanap kami ng supladang gusali dito.
Ito lang yun.
Saan ba itong supladang gusali doon?
Alam nila. Pinakamaganda yun. Sa pinakamalinis siya.
Bonnie.
Pero Pucholo, ikaw ba ang overall creative
No,
director?
my
dito?
partner Chris. He's the one doing everything. He's very creative. Ibang klase yung utak nun eh. Talagang he creates something different. Iba, he's a genius talaga. Iba. Na, siya yung gumagawa ng siyang choreographer, director, costume designer, set designer, stage designer. Kaya nung when we had a show in the Resort World, nabigla sila lahat dun eh. Na he is a multi-talented person. He is a genius one. He create, pag ang costume hindi niya gusto, palit yan. Pag nag-rehearsal, hindi tama yung costume na yun, papalitan niya.
Pero ikaw Pucholo, no? You act as the creative director. You act as the booking director.
Yeah.
You know, you act as the booking manager for them, ano? Anong deciding factor mo to arrive na, halimbawa ako sa isang multi-level company, Pucholo, gusto ko mag-perform ng yung grupo, no? Is there a fixed rate for that? Na for 30 minutes, ito lang yung performance namin? For 45, or kailangan the entire show?
No, we usually ask them, ano po ba ang theme ninyo? Ano bang gagawin namin po? So from there, we'll have to have a collaboration with them. Production meeting tayo. Mag-pre-prod muna tayo. Ano ba hinihingi ng client?
I see.
Kung ano hinihingi ng client, i-customize namin.
I see. Pero si Nonoy, ikaw, Noy, halimbawa, Ako naman isang manufacturing company ng sabon, ng shampoo, you know, a big organization like this, ano. Nagkabungguan tayo. Nanay, perform ka this weekend. Pwede ko kumanta ng 3 kanta, pare? Kahit 3 lang, you know.
Pagka ganyan, i-refer ko sa manager ko. Siya ang makikipag-usap sa client.
I see. Sino ba ang ating official booking manager at performance manager natin? Ikaw din sa
Siya na lahat.
Si Miss Nelly Lim. Please welcome Miss Nelly Limonde here.
Sabi niya, Papa Go, siya na yung attorney and fact sa lahat.
Kasi kanina pa umaandar sa utak ko, no? Umaandar na sa utak ko. Kasi like, si Pocholo would act as the booking manager, marketing director. You book on behalf of your talents, no? Di ba? And you babysit, you take care of them and everything, ano? Whereas, ikaw naman, Nonoy, pag nagkabungguan tayo, ay, perform ka sa Sabado. Who do you immediately refer to the manager?
Sabi ko muna, sige, maganda yan, pero you have to talk to my manager.
Pero Nelia, being the manager of Nonoy, no? From your end naman, ano kagad na ibubusisin mo sa akin, ano? Ano yung mga nahila ko lang sasabi, may award site ako nung aking company, mga sales dito, no? Sabi ni Nonoy, kausapin ka raw eh. What would be your factor here to say yes to me, no?
The date first, na walang conflict sa kanya, di ba? Siyempre, open pa yung date niya. Open pa yung date niya. Sometimes naman, may mga tentative bookings din, no? So, kung may tentative bookings ako, I have to also advise yung nagpa-tentative na, ano ba, ganito, kasi may pumapasok na iba. Kasi may priority naman yung nauna.
I see.
Na tumawag.
Then,
pag may 50% down payment ka na sa akin, tapos confirm.
Maganda yun.
So, parang wala na makaagaw.
Wala na makaagaw, ano?
Earnest money.
Earnest money. Di ba, Nelly, nakapag-down na ako sa'yo, nyak!
Confirm na yan.
Confirm na yan. 3 kanta. Kung umokay ka na. Tapos, nung nagre-rehearse tayo, ma'am, may composition po kami, company song namin. Pwede bang kantahin ni Nono ito?
No, kasi before that naman na magkontrata kayo, you have to talk naman like, ano ba expectation ng isa't isa? Like, anong ini-expect mo sa talent? Anong ini-expect ko din sa inyo? Para naman makapag-presyo din ako ng tama. Kasi it all depends on that. Baka mamaya, hindi naman kaya ni Nono yung gusto niya ipagawa.
At hihirit naman ako, Nelia. Sabihin ko, sige na nga, okay na yan. Pero i-air ko to sa Channel 13.
That's another usapan. Kasi it's either I will ask you you can air it on TV, on radio, then you pay more.
Beyond of the 3 songs na...
beyond of the performance. Kasi may TV na yan.
Pakikinabangan mo eh.
TV na yan. Iba na yung fee noon. Iba na yung, let's say, performance lang. Eto, gusto mo, i-take mo, i-air mo sa radio, i-air mo sa TV, iba din yun.
So, bali, pagkatapos sa diskusyon na natin, feeling ko, teka muna, umuo sa akin si Nonoy, nagkabungguan kami. But I have to talk to the manager. Can I get back to Nonoy again? Pare, pinahirapan ako ng manager mo. Ang dami pala stricto dito, no? From your end, being a performer, you will not entertain me. Still, it boils down to for you to lead for all the
I can
discussion.
talk to you, pero I will refer you to that.
Still, it boils down eh. It boils down, you know?
Kasi alam niya lahat yung schedule, ang dami.
And the...
Basta kami, kakanta na lang kami.
Perform
na lang kami.
And you know, Direct Ed, normal sa Pilipino yun eh. Na
kinakausap
yung
ng
kakausapin diretso yung talent.
Exactly.
Tapos lahat ng reklamo ng inireklamo nun. Ako yung manager mo, taray. Ako yung manager mo, napaka-stricto. Ako yung manager. Marami yun, normal yun. Normal lang yun. Kasi ang gusto lang noon, makatawad siya, makatawad siya.
Alam na
Manager talaga.
Ramdam na
Hindi niya papayagan na matihado yung alaga niya.
ramdam ni Pocholo. Gusto ko yung pagkakasabi mo, correct.
Hindi, kasi normal sa Pinoy yun.
Kasi
Hindi
ganun
na,
eh.
hindi,
Yung
ewan ko
hanggang
bakit hindi natin nakokorek yung ganung
Di ba? Mga Pinoy, pwedeng may ihirit pa. Ihirit
Di ba, attorney? Yung attitude, hindi nila, yung sana may
Humihinga pa yung magpe-perform. Pwede pa, kaya pa.
Normally, the people who will go directly to the talent are people who are friends ng talent. So, they know if they talk to the talent cannot refuse.
In a way.
So that's
Pipilitin
where
yung
the
manager.
manager comes in.
Ayun.
Because the manager is the business side
I see.
of it. So, buti na lang may mga managers tayong kamukha ni Nelly.
At saka Nelia, ano yung common statement sa'yo na may honorarium naman to eh. Paki may ano to para yun kasi we are raising fund for the I mean
Lahat ng mga show, fans.
Lahat naman,
raising funds.
lahat ng show fundraising yan.
Mm.
Kasi lahat ng
Ano naman yung
shows,
performance?
lahat ng show lahat ng show
Papagurin niyo, di ba?
fundraising. Ba't mayroon talagang fundraising? Kasi may mga advocacies din yung mga artists, no? May mga artists, may mga singers na may mga advocacy din yan, di ba? So it's close to their heart. Ibang usapan yon, no? Pero kung halimbawa ako, you came to me, magpuproduce ako ng show, let's say sa Resort World.
For example.
It's very commercial. Di ba?
obvious ba na
Ganun. Ngayon,
Di ba
kung
yun?
sasabihin mo sa akin, magpuproduce po kami ng show, doon kakakanta sa loob ng Santa Cruz Church.
Ayun. Medyo
Do you think
may consideration
paparehiyon
din.
mo ang presyo nung nasa Resort World o nandun sa loob ka ng Santa Cruz Church kakanta?
ay tama. Being Attorney Paul, better known as Gov Ambo of the Rotary Club in the Circle, no? There are performances happening in your gatherings, I believe, no?
Yes, a lot. A lot.
Yeah.
Every
Lagi
event,
meron.
we would always have entertainers. In fact, years ago, when I was inducted as governor,
Which,
my main entertainer is no less than Nonoy Zuniga.
together with Bernie
The
Vargas
great Nonoy Zuniga.
Yeah.
And Bernie Vargas.
and Bernie Vargas.
Ayun, no? Saya.
Sa Shangri-La yun, di ba? It happened in
And
Shangri-La.
I think you were the director.
Ayaw ko sa director na siya.
Kayo din.
Kami inyo.
Liit ng mundo.
Para manapakalit ng sirkulo.
Ang liit talaga ng mundo. Do you know that the entertainment world is so maliit na hindi dapat nag-aaway-away, hindi dapat
Very
nag-aaway.
true.
Kasi pagbaliktad mo, siya din ang mababangga mo.
Mismo.
Galing yung makakamit.
Maliit ang sirkulo. And well, sa ating mga tropa on the air na nakikinig ngayon, lalo sa industriya to, no? For the past hour or so, narinig natin si Attorney Paul, or known as Gov Ambo in the Rotary Club Circle, no? Many years ago, folk singer din siya.
I had my groups.
Ah,
I was, my last, I was a member of Ambivalent Crowd.
wow.
Ambivalent crowd. Asa ka ba
No,
nun?
I was much younger.
Sorry.
I think Nonoy were about the same age.
Nagkakabukingan na ng edad dito, no? So, when you, ang ambivalent crowd are
And UP
mostly
Concert Chorus and
Yun,
etc.
UP Concert Chorus. And if there's even a group, a choir group in the UP Law Circle.
Yes.
Maybe you could share to them.
Yes, I co-organized that when we were fourth year students, and there were 4 of us. The other 2 are familiar names. Former Dean of UP College of Law, Raul Pangalangan, and incumbent Dean, Danny Concepcion. We were together.
Sila ni Con.
Yes, we co-organized this. We called it UP Law Charivari.
Charivari.
Yes, UP Law Charivari.
Ano, showbiz.
A conglomeration of discordant sounds.
It's more than that.
Attorney Paul or Gov Ambo, ano to, showbiz chismis na ba dito? Dito ba kayo nagkatagpo niya to dito? Nagkagulatan pa eh,
In
no?
law school, yes.
In law school. So, Miss Grace, that confirms at bakit, paano nagkatagpo. At nalala mo, Nonoy, nung induction ni Gov Ambo sa Shangri-La, you perform on stage together with Bernie at rumampa sa entablado, not only Attorney Not, also together with Attorney Paul. Rumarampa. Pero pagdating ganun, Nelly Lim being the manager of the talents, nagkakontrata na tayo, 3 kanta, okay na tayo doon, nag-rehearse na tayo. Sabi ganun, isa pa, isa pa.
May naka-ready lagi.
Ano pa, sino ang desisyon nun? Nakikinig siya. Sa performer ba o nasa manager?
Ganito yun eh. Siyempre, normal yun sa kanila, sasabihin na, 3 songs lang yan.
Yung
3 songs lang yan. Pero actually, nasa isip nila 5 songs yan.
Laging matawad.
5 songs yan. I'll tell you. So,
Normal
kasi
yun, ano?
ang mali kasi din dito sa Pilipinas,
Pinoy yan.
binibilang yung number of songs. Hindi yung dapat eh. Kasi pag nag-appear ka na doon, hindi ka na pwedeng pumunta sa ibang venues eh. So, nandun na yung appearance mo. Hindi na
Oo nga,
dapat
tama.
binibilang yung,
Tama.
ay, 1 song, ay 1 song lang, 2 songs lang, ganito, ay 3 songs, hindi. Ay, nandun ka na, nagkantay ka na, ng ilang oras doon, na ganyan. So, yun yung mali na sistema din, no?
Na hindi
Pag-
naman mababago.
Pag kinontrata ka, performance
Yun
yan.
talaga.
So, regardless na gano'n, so, mag-usap na lang kayo na minimum 3 or minimum 4. Pero
Minimum.
may standard price ka na doon, di ba? Minimum 3, alam mo na kung magkano yon, gano'n. Kasi alam naman yun, minimum lang yun. Kasi ang tao, magmumore yun. Sino, pag nasa stage, do you think hindi mo pagbigyan ng tao?
Akala ko pag nagmumor, titingin muna sila.
Ay,
Tapos pag dumating,
Paano yung Grace? Paano yung mukha?
ay, gagano muna.
paano kung nagmumore tapos ang pangit ng sound system?
Ay, oo.
Oo.
Di ba? Paano naman gaganahan yung performer noon? Di ba? Kahit na
Pangit yung
gusto,
sound, ano?
kahit na gusto niya mag-more,
Basag.
eh sumasakit na yung lalamunan nga niya sa pangit na sound system. So, paano siya mag-more? Eh, that's why it's a number 1 requirement. You should have a very good sound system.
Correct.
To start with, ano?
Start with.
Mhm.
Kaya kami tanong kayo, sino sound system mo? Di ba? Yung tanong
Agad
kagad
eh.
pag nag-usap, sino magsusupply ng sound system mo? Baka yung karaoke lang yun.
Lalagyan lang mic. Style
Nangyayari yun.
May kagabi eto Grace, sa pag-usapan ng namin ni Miss Nelia on the side kagabi, merong isang maliit na bar sa Camyas, no? Owned by the Vitan clan. One of the guys,
Garahe
garahe
yun.
yun,
Ano,
kinonvert nila into a bar. Kapatid nila Ruben, Dani, si Jojo, no? They came out with the bar and they call it
Mismo.
mismo, no?
Club mismo ba?
Club mismo, no? Ngayon, nung ang kaibigan nating si Tato Malay, naalala mo na naimbita natin dito, sabi ni pinag-usapan namin nun yung 50th anniversary celebration ng Beatles. So sabi sa akin ni Tato, pre, punta natin yung bar ni Jojo. Dahil yung
makakapanood ka doon.
gabing yun, sabi niya, Dinosaurs ang tutugtog, which is the
Beatles
Beatles of the Philippines, no? Sabi niya, pare, ang audio system, magugulat ka. Bakit? Kay Jojo Bitan, the Bitan clan, ha! So, we went there, no? Pagpasok namin doon, you expect a digital, sabi nga ni Nelia Lim, no? Sound system is important, no? Pagdating namin, I was expecting a digital-based audio system na concert series, no? Pagdating ko doon, pagtingin ko sa taas, yung mga boss na 801, 902 na mga analog speakers, mga analog amplifiers, analog equalizers, you know, the boss system used by concerts many years ago, sinet up niya doon, napaka-sweet ng sound. Napakaganda ng calibration ng audio. Sabi niya niyan, Vitan clan to. Sabi ko, pag hindi namin tama to, bubugbugin kami ng mga tao, no? And I think that Nelly nasingit ka yata one time doon, ano, nasilip mo yung lugar, ano?
Yeah.
And
Hindi, nakinig ako. Ang ganda, ang galing-galing yung nagsasak. Sabi ko yung player. Pagpasok ko, ay magaling naman talaga pala yung player. Di ba? So, and then I have another appointment. Kung pa napadaan ka lang. Uy, ang galing-galing naman. Di ba normal naman po yun? Pag may nakita kang magaling, sisilipin mo talaga. Regardless, sino yun? Especially pag familiar rin sa yung sound. Baka si ano yan Di ba? Yung gano'n. Parang si Bernie Varga, kahit malayo yun, pag kumanta yun, naku si Bernie Varga yung kumakanta. Naku si Lanim Saludo yan. Di ba? Parang gano'n.
pero ito, no? Rewind na, maiksing rewind, no? You talk of the ambivalent crowd. This. Yan. Yan.
I was there in a short time only.
Napunta mo na, Paul Enriquez.
Hindi. I was in a travel group. Travel.
Ano ang mga more famous songs during that time, Atty.
Napo, I don't remember.
Mga walang kamatayan na ano,
You're talking about 30 years or more.
More pa.
More, 35 years ago.
mga Aquarius
Why,
like the
I was
Sunshine
about
in.
10 years old, right?
Actually, Miss Grace, kanina pa naghuhulihan ng edad dito. Hindi ba?
Songs lang
Kasi
daw.
like Pocholo said, mention
76.
1976. Ito ang sinasa ambivalent crowd. Ito ang nonoy na kumakanta ng mga acoustic ng mga, it's not time to change. Mga folksies, hindi pa rin magkahulihan ng edad.
Oo nga eh.
Ayaw pa rin.
Basta ako, One Direction.
One Direction.
Yun ang kaano ko.
Well, anyway.
Maroon 5.
And of course, we'd like to do a little belated greetings to Nelia, who celebrated.
Yeah.
I know.
Wow.
Thank you, thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kasi nga,
Belated, wala na tanda.
Related.
Wala.
Oo. Baka may maghanap pa ng handa.
Ito, Tony Paul, yung pati yung beer may chocolate.
Uy.
Ano yun niya, pati from salad to cake to anything,
From
spaghetti
salad
to
to
pasta.
beer and all that, may chocolate.
May chocolate, no? And I think that is a big celebration. I think, Miss Grace, napakakapal ng
Oo,
diskusyon na nating
tama.
hapon na to.
Wala na talaga tayo.
Si Atty.
Maubos
Paul,
yun.
si
Oo
Gov
nga eh.
Ambo is calibrated kasi sabi niya, may program, dito po, sige. dito
Oo
po."
nga eh.
You know? And medyo,
Actually, 3 to 4 lang siya. Nag-overtime tayo ng isang
Nag-overtime.
oras.
Sa ganda
Nanghiram
na-
tayo dun sa sunod na program.
Oo, at
Ang bait naman.
oo. Pero
Kasi-
itong sulit. At si ang
Ay,
ating
oo. Yung exact location, yung address ng club mo ah. Maliban sa,
ang
maliban sa Mataray na gusali.
ang Pocholo Malilin o Club Wow. With an
Oo,
H.
para
ah.
yung mga-
Take note, with an H.
Exact
Club.
address.
Is in 652 Bonnie Avenue. I would like to invite you
652.
this coming Friday.
652.
All of you here.
Two.
652.
You'd been there, right?
Yes.
Even your son sang.
Yes.
Ang galing na anak nito eh.
Ay, pinagmana
Oo.
eh.
Guwapo pa rin.
Namana din yan eh.
You'd been there long time ago.
Yeah. Kailangan sa Friday.
Friday.
Nenelia, kailangan ba naligaw dun sa Club 1?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Alam mo,
Ayan.
kinuwento lang sa akin ni na Emmy Velarde, lahat ng mga entertainment editors,
Right.
kinukwento.
Pag kailangan,
Tapos,
iligaw mo kami doon.
Lahat, alam mo, lahat ng entertainment editors, talagang ano yun, they were raving about that. Ganun.
Oh,
Kasi it's
in-invite pa
some-
pala sila. Entertainment
Oo,
directors.
si Emmy ang nauna kong narinig kay Emmy.
Club mo.
Velarde.
So hope to see you Friday.
Yeah. Sige,
Yeah,
sige po.
Sige.
Para at
Si
least
attorney din. I was
Sige, we'll be
enlightened.
there.
Maybe we could invite also at
I'll bring my wife.
Sige
Ah,
po.
sige.
Para mo ngayon siguro alam to make sure na the kontrata ipapasok ko na yun.
Yeah.
Oo.
Copyright mo.
Lalo na sila.
Oo,
Hindi na ako
copyright mo
problema.
muna.
Alam mo ngayon,
Binibidyo
dapat
eh,
lahat
no?
black and white
Binibidyo
na
lagi.
eh.
Copyright mo talaga. Kasi ang karamihan dito sa Pilipinas, ang nakasanayan lang na nagka-copyright, composition, libro, di ba, books, composition, wala yung performance.
Oo.
Dapat
Eh,
ganun
copyright mo yung
Dapat
performance.
ganun.
Actually, kaya tayo niimbita ni Pocholo sa Friday, no? May kukonsultan dokumento sa iyo. Ayun ba, after a nice show and ano, attorney, pagkakasilip mo nga itong papeles.
No worry, Pocholo. I'll teach you how to copyright your
Oh, yeah.
I mean, we
Doon na
are
lang,
performing
doon na lang.
in Cabanatuan. There's a big club there.
Oh.
Ang laki-laki ng club nila na they wanted to bring us there. And I would that this owner is very shrewd.
So,
Na I mean, tipong wise, no? Wise masyado ito. So, pwede ko bang ilagay yun na yung show naming 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Nakakontrata na.
Hindi na
Pwede ba
pwede
niya i-video yun? Sa kanya ba yun?
hindi.
Oy, pwede mo
I think there's
ipagbawa.
Sa kanya ba yun? I mean, let's say, we are performing for 1 hours and 45 minutes.
Ilang million ba ba?
Show namin talaga. Hindi naman. Show namin talaga
Ilang
yun.
million ba?
And then,
Kung hindi,
ngayon,
wag na lang, no?
pwede ba niya i-video yun? Sa kanya ba yung show na yun?
Pwede mong ipagbawal.
If it is a commissioned work, then the
Ano po
show
yung commission
belongs.
work?
Okay, in other words, kinontrata ka
Opo.
to come up with a
Show,
let's
1
say
hour
a
and
show.
45 minutes.
Like let us say a song, no?
Commission songs.
Commission. In other words, I'm a producer.
May theme.
I go to a composer.
Oo, kasi
Can you kindly compose a love song for my wife, which I will sing during our wedding anniversary? No, it's a commissioned work. Now that work actually belongs to the kung sino yung nag-commission.
Pero babayaran
But
ka.
the composer still does not lose the copyright over it.
Kung sulit.
but the result itself belongs to the composer.
So yung
I mean,
show-
to the
show nila.
person who commissioned it.
yung video.
Oh, okay. So again, going back to that, if the entire show was commissioned by a producer, let us say, then the show would belong to the commission, to the person who commissioned it.
Very clear pala yun.
Hindi ko
Very-
naintindihan.
Commission work.
Nasa
Ito,
Friday.
ito.
In other words, your group was hired to come up with a new show,
Okay.
entirely new show, which is in accordance with their specifications.
Okay.
And then you did come up with it.
Right.
And the end result will belong to
Basta
the
bayad sila.
producer.
Basta
Oh,
bayad sila.
So, sa kanila yon.
And then,
But then, dapat
Yeah.
sa kanila nang gagaling lahat ang concept na input.
No,
Kumbaga,
sa
ikaw
kanila
lang-
lahat eh.
Oh.
Okay,
Bayaran ka
okay.
ng mahal for your
Yun,
concept.
oo.
Oo.
You have to charge for your concept, for the show, for the rehearsals.
Tama.
Dapat mahal yon kasi
Kailangan may
commission din.
ano.
Unless
Ah.
kaibigan mo yung nag-commission sa'yo. Diba?
So,
Hindi
but
ibang
yung
friendship.
video, sa kanila yon.
yes, because they own the show.
Yeah, they own the show.
But,
Mag-charge ka lang ng
but
mataas.
di nila pwedeng gamitin yun. Could they use that?
Yes, if they own it, yes.
For
Yes,
promotional purposes,
Yes.
pwede siguro, no? They like to promote yung venue
to
nila.
sell.
You
At
want a
hindi mo
commercial,
pwede-
you mean commercially, they will sell it?
I do not know. Hindi ko pa alam.
Baka puta limitation.
Siguro,
Non-broadcast.
i-specify mo na sa
Kontrata
contract
pa.
na ini yung
Non-broadcast
video,
yun.
pero
Contract
hindi nyo
yun.
pwedeng
Nasa
gamitin
contract pa rin.
for commercial purposes. Hindi nyo pwedeng pagkakitaan.
Yun.
Attorney Paul, dapat kasama nga si Attorney doon sa Friday.
Oo.
Pero yung ano,
Meron sa
Ay, nako.
may
pero
contract
ang
din.
contract yan,
Oo.
standard na yan.
Standard.
Standard na contract yan.
Cholo,
Hirap na
don't
ng kontrata
worry.
sa kanila.
Don't worry. Starting today, we'll be at your back.
At your back, at your front, at your side.
All over.
We'll be surrounding you. O, sige.
You have complained, tell Grace, we put it on the air. We are here with you, don't worry.
Tama.
Attorney, ganito rin.
Oo.
May nangyari ulit. The other one at Roas Boulevard. I don't know if you know this
No,
place.
oo. Siguro pag-usapan nila
Alam
off the
niyo
air
yun,
na.
di ba?
no?
Oo, palagay ko. We can discuss it.
Alam niyo yung
Oo.
nasa Roas Boulevard, yung sa film center.
Oo.
You know that one there, right?
Yes, oo.
The owner used to go to Club 1 and watch the show.
Ay, ginaya siya.
Ang ginagawa niya, meron siyang bag na malaki, tapos meron siyang camera.
Wow. Fire.
Ano pwedeng gawin doon?
I think we discussed that earlier. No? That, if you really want the best defense is prevention.
Prevention.
I mean, you do not
Pagbawal mo na lang
allow
yun.
them
Oo.
to bring those equipments that will allow them to videotape.
And then sometimes they have this sombrero,
Meron doon.
and then sa lamesa, nakagano, nakagurin yung camera.
Okay. Kung ano.
Ay,
If
nako.
you've
Okay,
seen
nako,
the trailer on the anti-camcording when you watch a movie,
Oo.
it's always there. I think SM would always
May
have
ballpen
that.
pa nga, di ba?
Ballpen, lahat ng gadget.
Anti-cam yun.
Nako, ang dami
Ay.
nating napag-usapan. Grabe,
At-
sobrang
at-
sulit.
Hindi lang yun, Grace. As
Oo.
always, maiksi pa rin ang panahon.
Mm-mm.
Ay, Attorney Paul, sometime in the future, kung kailangan namin consultate ng
Opo.
maimbitahan, hindi ka ba madadala sa amin at would you say no to us?
It is my honor and my pleasure to be here.
Thank you po.
I can
Ayan.
come back as long as my schedule
Yes,
permits.
Siyempre naman.
Just like Nonoy, alam mo naman, like, you know.
Of course,
Busy.
of course.
But you know, call me anytime, Direk Ed. Grace, of course. Anything on this matter, and even on other matters in law, we can take the time.
Oh, thank you so much.
Even annulment. You know?
Wala pa naman.
Gopambo, meron na tayong gustong batiin on the air before we say goodbye.
Sino?
Attorney Paul, Gopambo, anyone to say hi
May
or
mga
anyone?
last messages
Yes,
sa ating
Sino
mga
na?
listeners.
Thank you, of course.
Nonoy?
Pasalamat ako. I'd like to thank you for inviting me over. It's a pleasure. Anytime again, anytime. Not only for promo purposes. Anytime. Basta nga, sabi
Libre.
nga, yung schedule okay, why not?
Oh, pero Nonoy,
Sir, i-text
ano
mo
ba
na po yung
ang,
number.
kasi sa ating mga nakikinig ngayon, ating mga katropa on the air, they're wondering, kailan ba namin mapapanood si Nonoy sa konsierto or sa mga performances, no?
July 25, 26, pero sa Cebu. Cebu and Davao eh.
I see.
Pero August 1,
Sobra.
And two.
and 1 and 2 sa Music Museum.
Ay, nako, paki-X niyo yung mga calendar ninyo.
With ang guest ko si Marco, pero si Enrico,
Tropa.
That's a very
And
special.
special.
Maganda
and a
yan,
very
oo.
and very special surprise guest.
Surprise.
May surprise
guest.
pa.
Ayan, oo. Nelia, ano ma-advise mo sa ating mga nasa airing ngayon na nakikinig sa atin na nag-iisip-isip na maging composer at maglalapit sa manager? Ano yung mabilis na ma-advise sa kanila? Talk to you.
CYA.
CYA. And CYA is?
Cover your ass.
Ay, Pochola would like to thank you. Pochola would like to thank you, and please, we're looking forward to see your performance. And maraming
Basta, I want to see 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 with your partners.
Yes, thank you.
Anyway,
Bye-bye na.
Pwede bang ano?
sino ba yung mga dapat batiin?
Oo,
Hello and hi.
ay,
sa mga-
Hindi, mayroon
Oh,
akong
wala na akong
sunod.
babatiin.